think we're good to go. I think we're ready. Yeah, it looks like we're good to go. Looks like we're good to go. What's going on, everybody? Actually, 1 second. Marcus, let's go. What's good? What's good? What's good? 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. All right, my fault, guys. My fault. I don't know why that happened just now. Let me switch my screen here so we can see. What's good, Marcus? What's good? What's good? As you can see on my screen here and here, right? Didn't take none of those. This spread didn't come far enough. And then this here was me just marking up what I thought was going to happen, but it wasn't my setup. So far we've got nothing, but we do have like an hour there, hour and a half. So it's going to be fire. What's good? What's good? Maximus say, yo, what's good, bro? I hope you guys had a good weekend. Marcus, how's your weekend? Yeah, my weekend was great. How was you guys' weekend? Yo, I actually got to game, guys. Look, if you don't believe me, I was gaming over the weekend on Sunday. So what happened was my wife was like, oh, you know, let me see. Hold on a second. Yeah, 1 sec, guys. 1 sec. 1 second. 1 second. There we go. So my wife was like, maybe here, we'll put it here today. My wife was like, you know, you can't come. It's a girls' night out, blah, 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 blah. And so I had to stay home by myself. And what ended up happening was I had to game. I had nothing else to do because I don't work on Sundays. Guys, look at this. Scalper, bro. Sheesh. Marcus said gold buy is the only possibility today. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Black Owl. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's check out gold. Because US 30 and Nas already did what we needed to do. Oh, wait. I actually got to watch this. This, I don't care too much about. So let's go to gold on here. This is what I got marked up for gold. So I'm not touching any of these things until it gets up to that level, to be quite honest. Let me check the 15. Don't get me wrong. There are other areas, right? Like, for example, maybe here. Maybe, right? Maybe. We can look into this. But for right now, guys, we're at this level here, which I was anticipating price was going to at least bounce off from. It's doing that. If you are in a buy, I would get out right here just to be safe. But that's just me. I don't know how you guys feel. So let's see what's happening with Nas. So Nas, as you guys can see, this was the trade I was supposed to enter this morning right here. Price again with the tick didn't come to that level, and I just couldn't enter. Bottom line, I just didn't enter it. And so we have this level right here that I'm looking at to see what price does at this level. So we're gonna see how it responds. It might be what we're looking for. It may not be. But considering the type of momentum price is pushing with, let's take a look at what's happening here. So here's the reason why I'm skeptical of these areas. So you can see, let me go to the 15 real quick. You can see that price was doing this, right? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, no problem. Higher low, lower high, lower low. Okay, cool. At this point here, guys, you can see that price is supposed to be bouncing off of this gap and going down. It didn't do that. It's doing this. So this tells me we might be reversing. That's number one. Number two is, in fact, let me just do this. Number two is the fact that because we've been ranging in this channel, we actually should be breaking towards the upside, which is exactly what's happening. So for me personally, I'm going to most likely look at this and be like, yeah, let me just leave it alone. Good morning, Raizaki. What's good? What's good? What's good? Hope you guys had a great weekend. You see what I'm saying? So for me, that's what I'm looking at right now. So I don't know if I'm going to take a trade here, just because even if I get myself, it'd have to be like a really quick scalp, considering the fact that we should be breaking towards the upside. Okay. So I'm going to watch that and take a look. Oh, my fault. This isn't gold. This is gold. I'm sorry, guys. I'm tripping. This is gold. So yeah, this is what I got marked up for gold. There is this over here, but I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna wait to see if gold gets all the way up here. I'm so sorry, guys. I was giving you guys the wrong analysis on SPX. This is gold right here. So to me, this is what I'm looking at. Let me see if there's anything else towards the left. There is, you can kind of say maybe over here there's a bit of a support slash resistance, but I don't really care for that right now. What I care more so about is how it responds to this area. Once it gets into this area, I will know what it's doing and I'll take it from there. All right, guys, so I'm definitely not going to be in any buys. If gold does come up to here, I'll be in a sell. Let's take a look at oil. Oil, I'm looking at this area here as well. Go to the 1 hour. I'm looking at this area here as well for oil. Go to 15 actually. Yeah. In this area here, if price comes back to this area, I may get in for a sell. All right, so we'll see. We'll see. Let's actually take a look at some of our other pairs here. Looking very good, very nice. Yeah, I know we have to play our good morning song. I'll play it in just a second. Just a second. All right, GBP USD. Let's see what happened to that. You guys remember what where's K-Dot at? K-Dot and Dean, the two brothers. They're supposed to start work this week. See what happens to those two. But you guys remember what happened last week with that setup that they called. And then we have Euro JPY. I love Euro JPY. And on the 1 minute, it's like, look at this type. This is a crazy move. But unfortunately, not only is it not my setup, we're kind of far. We kind of missed the gravy train. So I'm going to leave that alone for now. Let's take a look at GPCHF. Another perfect. Look at that, bro. Man, we missed a lot. When did all these happen this morning? 6 in the morning. Look at these moves. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if price. Nah, I don't want to retest that still. This needs to break some structure before I have the confidence to get into something like that. Hello, brother. How are you? I'm good. Akachari, good. What's good? Powell today as well. Yeah, I think at like, what, 2 o'clock my time? Let me check something here. Not on this one. AUDJPY, I refuse to touch until, you guys see this? Until all of this gets dealt with, bro, I want no issues. It's just too massive of a gap. I would have to start looking at, structure itself to look into certain things, and I don't want to do that. I'll say this. If price starts breaking, in fact, you know what? Let me just do this. Let me do this. Oh, no. They're all the same. So I'll just do this. Because if price starts essentially, you know what I mean? If price starts, because right now what we have is price, giving us this incredibly long push to the downside, down, broke structure right here. Now it's come back up in here. And you remember what I told you guys about when it's doing stuff like this? It's doing what? It's planning to do that. So for me, I really don't have anything to really look at. The only thing I may be able to do is that if price does come within this zone, I might go down to the 1 minute and see if I could find some sort of an entry. But for now, that's kind of what I'm looking at for now. Okay, so wait till tomorrow. Yeah, I'm in a GBP JPY sell, but very small. Got you. Not confident in it, but interested in your view on it. If you want to check. For sure. Guys, by the way, tomorrow and Wednesday, I'm not going to be here on stream, guys. Today's going to be the only day for this week, and then I'll come back on Thursday and Friday. Because my birthday's in 2 days, guys. So I'm going to be away. Let's take a look at GBP JPY. JPY. Let's take a look. Oh, would you look at that? Price is actually playing right into my zone here. So you're in a sell. Okay, so on the 15, there is, a gap right here. So this could be, but for me personally, I'd wait till here, Marcus. If I'm being 1,000%, I would just wait till here, just because there's a good chance based on not only this, but even on price action, there's a good chance that this is most likely where price is going to give us a response. But you could be totally right. There's been times where prices just come right here and just plummeted. All right, so let's go down to 1 minute, see if we can find anything that gives us some convincing evidence to go down. Could be. For those of you guys who trade what is it, ICT and all that stuff, right? Could be an area of liquidity. That price is just sweeping and is maybe pushing towards the downside. So let's see, right? Let's see. This could be one of those, or price starts pushing towards the downside. Maybe we can get into a trade. Adib said, hey, what's good, Adib? Javier said, hey, bro, what's good, Javier? Adib again said, hi, how are you? I'm good, guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I was gaming on Sunday because my wife left me home saying, it's a girls' night out, you can't come. But I think her and my sister-in-law were secretly setting up for my birthday. So we'll see what happens. Bro, can you check Discord trading ideas? Yes, give me a second. Let me kind of focus this morning with what I got going on, and then I'll get into all of that. But I should do this because our people are here this morning. And, let me see here. Give me 1 second. We have to go to, is it downloads? Yes, it is downloads. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Minimal. Lower third, social media. Animated, YouTube. Yo, where is it? There you go. All right. So to everybody who's here, good morning to all my lovely foreigners, and good morning to all you lovely pineapples out there. Good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning. All right, guys. So, if you're new, join the Discord. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. I've opened Discord. Adib just asked for it, so you might as well do it. Adib, you can't say I don't love you, bro. Can't say I don't love you guys because I'm going to check trading ideas for you guys right now. Let's see. So Adib said, guys, I have a question. Do we need a volume indicator? Because look at the candle. I put my mouse on and look at the upper left side of the screen where I marked in red. Color between two blue candles, there is a red candle. Adib, listen, I don't trade with volume at all. And I don't trade with indicators. The indicators I have just help me kind of see things from a different perspective. So if you're looking at a trade idea, what thing is this? USD JPY. I could take a look at USD JPY for you, but in terms of volume, I know what to say about that, bro. That's volume. That means buyers and sellers. Okay, so Black Owl is kind of responding to your request right here. You think the red candle only sellers? That's not correct. Okay, so Black Owl is giving you his understanding right now, but I can take a look at USD JPY for you. Yeah, considering Nas is kind of, we'll come back to that, bro. We'll come back to that. Let me set an alert here real quick, just so I can come back to this and say price. Oops. All right, guys, let me see if I can find this thing here for you. Just so you guys can see, I haven't taken any trades this morning. We're still at the same time, the same price. There's the account, guys, okay? That's the account that we're supposed to be trading on. So far, we've got nothing this morning. I did have 2 setups that ended up playing out, but for different reasons, I could not enter, or did not enter. All right, so we have that still going on. I'm going to leave this. I'm going to go to USD, JPY. Take a look at this for Mr. Adib, learning with Adib. Javier said, took 2 trades today. Both was in 50% profit, didn't take partials, and then got taken out at break even. It happens, Javier. At least you didn't lose money. All right, I know it's going to suck, but at least you didn't lose money. Yo, just wanted to show love at work, not able to view. I'm going to watch the replay. I appreciate you, Shakir. Shout out to Shakir, by the way, bro. Shakir is brand new. And, a lot of you guys are new and you hit me up and you have different ideas and stuff. Shakir's one of those guys who's, locked in. He's sending me stuff like, bro, this is what I'm thinking. This is how I want to approach it. This is what I want to do to manage risk. And he's just so dedicated to the journey of learning to trade. Shout out to you, Shakir. Very commendable and very awesome to see. Dean said, pineapples need to head out. Going to join y'all later. All right. No problem, Dean. I appreciate you dropping. You see, look, this is why I love all you guys. Even when you guys have things to do, you guys still drop in to show love. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You know what I mean? And like you guys already know, got some stuff coming. Working on some stuff over the weekend. I was working on some things. For those of you guys asking about the songs, they will be dropped this week for sure. All right. Just setting all of that up. But yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support you guys show. You guys are in my opinion, you guys are the GOAT. So shout out to you. In fact, let me just quickly, let me just get that in here. guys are goated. Shout out to all of you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Adib said, I didn't see you. All right, so Adib, you can see here from price action, we were going up, right? Price started breaking down. So let me just make this easy. We were going up this way. Price started breaking down. We have bearish movement. Up here, you can see that price consistently kind of retested this level. Okay, let me see if it kind of, let's see what happens to the left-hand side. Yeah, not too bad. Kind of coincides with that area. So that is a decent point there to kind of worry about. So what ended up happening was price, came down. We had a lower high, lower low. Then we made these series of highs, right? And then eventually came back down. So price broke all this. We started pushing our way down again. All right, pushed down, made a series of highs again, pushed down. Okay, went down. And so we're still forming nice bearish structure, and price is even taking out this low. But like I always tell you guys, when it's not a very strong push below, sometimes you got to be concerned. But anyways, we end up coming back here. And essentially what we have now is price, let me just do it like this, is playing around at this level. And I'm going to show you real quick. Price is playing around at this level right here. This is the level where price is having a hard time respecting. It was supposed to be like this. Okay, price was supposed to break the lows, come back in here and push down. It didn't do that. It pushed down a little bit, went above, and now it's giving us higher highs and higher lows. And now we've dropped again because of what happened with the Japanese presidential situation, from what I understand, allegedly. And so now we have to understand that because price is moving like this and having a hard time within this zone, we have to ask ourselves, is price going to do this, right? Or is price going to do this? That's what we got to ask ourselves. And based on what I'm seeing here, again, if it was this was nice. So in fact, let me mark up both just so we can kind of get the idea. This is essentially what we got going on. Price was supposed to respect this level, didn't. Now it's playing in this area. And because it broke above that, I'm going to be watching very patiently. This is what I'll say for now. We do have this massive gap again. This was caused by the Japanese presidential assertion, I believe. So that's not a great sign for me to use as a sell. I believe because of the way price is behaving, we're actually heading towards the upside. Not to mention with a gap this large, price will at least want to come and retest things in this area. So I would say for now, you should probably be looking for buys. Also, last thing you can see here, price gave us a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and now we're making a higher high. So we might be doing that. All right, so do with that what you will. I personally would wait just to see all this. There's a reason why. Look, I'll show you right now. AUDJPY, I believe. AUDJPY, I have not touched, and I'm not going to touch until all of this is, and it's one of my favorite pairs, but until all of this is sorted out, I'm not touching AUDJPY at all. Okay. I think Adib just said that he's in a sell. Adib, 1 second. There we go. There we go. All right. So Adib said he's in a sell at entry price. Oh, he retracted it. Okay, Adib, I'll leave it alone. Since you retracted, I'm not going to plot it. It's all good. Yeah, not a day to trade really for me. Yeah, that's, bro, I learned from last week. Last week, I woke up, I looked at the charts. I knew I shouldn't be trading, and I still took a trade and lost 2 trades. Today's one of those days where I can see that the market isn't really giving us what we want, so I'm just going to leave it alone. That's the honest truth. I'm just going to let it be and just observe, okay? We may still, you never know, we might still get a nice crispy setup. But for the main part, you know what I mean? Look what price did at this level here. Gave me a nice scalp, pushed towards upside, and then completely tanked. This right here is just a recipe for disaster. I'm out. I'm out of all of this. Okay, I'm gonna wait to see what price does. If price maybe retraces back here, I can look into a sell. But as of right now, I'm just gonna leave the market alone. All right. Some of you guys, don't let me discourage you though. Some of you guys may still find very good areas to trade in. For me personally, I don't see anything that is going to prompt me to hop into a trade. And put the camera on you.
I'm trying to give it a report, he says.
Oh, I appreciate you. Love you, baby.
Love you, bye.
Bye. Yeah, so you know what I mean? Price is acting a little wonky right here. You can see it's, respecting this area. We may be able to find something in here for SPX, may. All right, we do have this gap up here that price may respect. But you guys, I wouldn't bet on it. I really wouldn't. I would just be patient and just kind of let today be what it needs to be. I like the way it's the formation and how it's working right now, though. So we'll see. We'll see what occurs. All right, guys. Just got to be patient, guys. Patience pays in this industry. And we don't have to force the trades. Okay, let me tell you what I'm looking at for gold. Gold is currently doing this. If gold starts, you can see this is what I was telling you guys about, right? How price goes. Oops. How price goes down, then up. Supposed to go down some more, up a little bit less, and down some more. Price didn't do that here. Price didn't break this at all. And then eventually it did this. So this tells me that right here, this is something that we've got to look out for. Okay, because price was supposed to break this low. It didn't. Now it's hovering around this area, which means we might actually be in for some buys, at least to this area. Let's go take a look at what's happening here. And look at what's forming, guys. So I'm going to put, do not take this trade, guys. This is the worst possible trade you can take. But I'm just assuming, right? Price may still go back down. But I'm going to put in a trade right here, a paper trade, okay, to show you guys. Let me just get in one right now, whatever. Just to show you guys what we got going on, okay? This is what I'm anticipating, that price will come back to here. Now, the question is, will it come all the way down here, all the way up here without coming down first? We don't know, because look what's happening, right? There is nothing really, like we do have these areas, but we don't know if it's a strong enough reference. And we don't know if price is going to respect this zone and just completely tank. We're making bearish or forming bearish structure. We're coming down, going up, going down, going up, going down some more. This is bearish structure. So I could be totally wrong. All right. I'll just put it here. It's whatever. Okay. Where I wanted to get in is literally where price is at right now, but it's all good. So don't take this trade, guys. There's a good chance price may go down. And it's gold. Okay. Gold is a widow maker. Don't touch a single thing. All right. Moses said, what's the update with the account? Which one? Oh, with the one that we're trading, it's right here. We haven't taken any trades today. We're still at where we're at. Last week we won a trade and haven't got back in since. All right, so this is where we're at right now. As you can see, that's where we are currently. All right, Moses. So that's a fire name, by the way, Moses. That's a crazy name. That's a fire name. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at for now. All the markets are looking a little weird. You know what I mean? Like nothing's really happening. GBP/USD, you guys know I don't trade that at all, and you won't catch me ever trading it. I don't like it. I don't care what the setups look like for GBP/USD. I don't like it. Euro JPY gave us some nice moves this morning. It's retracing back to this level. You know what I mean? GBP CHF also came into that zone, pushed down, retracing. AUD JPY we're not going to really touch. And then Euro AUD, look at this. Euro AUD just went to town. So that's beautiful. What I actually want to look at, actually, real quick. Let me see what price does in this area. Whatever happens here will be a mock-up, guys, for sure. Big Pal is speaking soon. Careful, guys. I think he's speaking at like 1 o'clock my time, actually. Let me check something here real quick. Let me put this on. And Big Pal is 13:50. Yeah, that's almost 2 o'clock my time. That's 1:55 my time. So I don't know of anything else. I don't know of anything else. So yeah, let's go back to gold real quick. I'll come back to this in a sec. Let's go back to gold. All right, so let me show you guys. Don't take this trade. It's a mock-up trade, guys. We were supposed to outdo this. We were supposed to get in literally like right here. Literally, that's what I wanted to get in. But unfortunately, that's not what happened. This is just a paper trade, guys. It's not based off of any sound technicals. I'm just speculating that the way price is acting around this area, we might get a push to the upside. But remember, whenever price is hovering around these levels, you're gonna get your retracements, your pushes. It's gonna do all this before, you know what I mean? Like before it really heads towards upside. So we're in super early. We have no reason to go in for a buy. I'm just buying here because I'm anticipating price is gonna go here. If you notice, I bought a paper trade, but I didn't enter a real trade here because this is not a trade that I would take any day of the week. All right, guys. So please, for the love of God, don't enter this. We're still forming bearish structure. We have literally no confirmation to get in for a buy. Literally no confirmation. Okay. So this is just for me to show you guys what I'm thinking and how it plays out. That's all. And sometimes it helps. To me, it helps with the visuals. Okay. Don't worry about us losing 5K. If you know, you know. We rich out here, bro. You know what I'm saying 3.5 mil on this account, boy. It's a joke, by the way, guys. If you're new, it's a joke. I don't want people actually thinking I made 3.5 mil. It's a paper account, paper trade account. I started off with 100K and now I'm at 3.5 though. I'm saying pretty impressive. Oh, wow. Obina Oko, thank you for subscribing, brother. I appreciate it. Much love, much love. Thanks for subscribing. We have our first sub of the day. Shout out to Obina Oko. Guys, can we get some... can we welcome Obina to the club, bro? Some fire emojis, some clapping hands, something to show Obina that, you know what I'm saying? That we love and support him for joining the club. Yeah, shout out to you, Obina. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. By the way, guys, we're almost about to hit October. My birthday's in a couple days, bro. My birthday's in a couple days. So that's going to be super interesting. Super, super interesting. Super interesting. Don't ask me what I have planned. My wife won't let me get involved in it. She says I got to stay out of it. So she's planned the whole thing. So we're going to see what happens, man. We're going to see what happens. It's going to be super interesting. Super duper interesting. Thank you, Moses, for showing love. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Thank you, Marcus. Oh, Marcus, congratulations in advance. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you guys. You know what I'm saying?
Of course.
Of course. Thank you, guys. So, yeah, man. That's what we got going on right now. NQ. Ooh. Ooh. I think I'll do a paper trade to show you guys as well. I'm not going to get into NQ for various reasons, okay? Look what's happening on the 15. Now, we could still go down. Oh, let me get rid of this, guys. It's too messy. We could still go down a little bit, but I wouldn't really bet on it, but we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I'll do this, guys, just to make it easier on you. We'll just do it like this, whatever. And we will say right here. So I'll go in for a sell. There we go. All right, guys, we'll go in for a sell. Put our stops just above. And TP right there. We'll see what happens. This is just for visual representation, okay, guys? Don't take these trades, actually. Don't actually take these trades. All right, let's see what happens with this. Let's see what happens with this. ADJPY. Oh, shoot. So only 52 years old, still a young buck. Yo, for sure, bro. 52, dog. I just got a couple more years and I'm in retirement. It's going to be crazy, bro. It's going to be crazy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Adib said happy birthday. Thank you, guys. Happy birthday in advance, brother. Thank you, guys. I'll see you guys back like the day after my birthday. So tomorrow I'm not going to be on stream. And on Wednesday, which is my actual birthday, I'm not going to be on stream. And I'm going to miss you guys. You know what I'm saying? I wish we could do something to kind of celebrate my birthday. But maybe we will. Maybe we will. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Your boy's getting old. 52 years old. You know what I'm saying? 52 years old. 52 years old. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not 52. The other day, somebody came in here and said, oh, man, you're 52? No, I think I said I was 62. He's like, I thought you were 40-something. I'm like, 40-something? This guy's disrespectful. I should boot him from the chat. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. All right, guys. So for gold, gold is creeping along. This is why I love scalping at certain times of the day. After that, price just moves with with zero enthusiasm, bro. With nothing. All right, Nas is starting to pour. Not too bad. All right, gold is also starting to pour. Too bad. We don't want it doing that, but we will see what happens. AUDJPY is going up above, going to break these highs pretty soon. Let me make this a little clearer so you guys can see. Let me do this. Yeah, it's a bit better. There you go. All right, guys. Okay, so will Nas hit TP? Only God knows. You know what I'm saying? But quick scalps, bro. That's all we need to get. Quick. Look at gold, bro. Gold is like dog. Sheesh. All right, so we'll watch Nas for now and see how that goes. But thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Yeah, man. All right, Zach, happy birthday in advance. Thank you. Oh, looks like we got another sub. Javier subbed. Hey, Javier. Thank you, guys. Please give some love and support to Javier in the chat for supporting. Thank you, Javier. That's the second sub of the day. We have 2 people who subbed today. That's absolutely fire, guys. Shout out to all of you guys. You guys make this happen. You guys are the reason why I stream, bro. There are some days, I won't lie to you guys, I'm busted, bro. I'm tired. Back's hurting. Head is spinning. Headaches. You know what I mean? I didn't really sleep. And I'm like, bro, I want to call off the stream, but for my people, bro. For the peeps. For the family. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Really and truly. Really and truly. Hey, good morning to everybody who's here. Good morning to all my lovely pineapples, all my lovely foreigners. Good morning to you guys, and thank you for the birthday wishes.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Awesome, awesome. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are having a blessed morning, a good start to the week. Look at what gold is doing, bro. Look what gold be on. Sheesh. Right? So I was telling you, it's going to do its thing for a bit. But at some point, if price doesn't give us proper structure towards downside and it starts playing around, you guys will see. Just watch. Let's go, the foreign family. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have the best family on YouTube. I promise. The best. Literally the best. Everybody in there is such a solid person. Such a good soul. You guys, what's with these reversals, though? What's with all this reversing? Like, bro, go down to TP, please. And you go up to TP. This, guys, I think we're cooked. I ain't never see gold ever come down here and not, you know what I mean, not go down further before going up. So gold, we're going to be cooked on gold. Yeah. I just unsubscribed and subscribed, but my name didn't show up. Adib, stop. I think you were the same one doing that last time, bro. Stop doing that. Just stay subbed, all right? We appreciate you. We've been showing you love. You're part of the family already. You good. You already made it. Just leave it alone. Don't sub and unsub. Please stay where you at. I'm saying. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, so Nas is going down. I probably should have risked the same amount I did on Nas on gold so I can equalize this L that I'm about to take. This L that I'm about to take. Gold. Here we go. And we're out. There we go. All right, guys. So gold didn't play out. I will keep this here as a reference, or we can get rid of it. Doesn't matter. Just to keep a clean chart and see what happens. All right. So gold is still, like I said, we have no reason, like nothing. We have nothing that tells us to buy. Okay. So we're going to wait. We're going to wait it out and see how this plays out. In the meantime, let's look at what Nas is doing. All right. So we got Nas moving towards the downside. And yeah, we'll see how that plays out as well. Yeah, gold is cooked 100%. 100%. When you guys see stuff like this, this is why I always tell you guys when you're in certain trades, I'm like, just wait it out. Don't get into none of these plays. Wait it out. Price hasn't told you what it wants to do. Just wait it out. Now, dear gold, if you end up doing that nonsense you do, where you take us out and go back up, I will find you. I'll absolutely find you, and you're not going to like what I do to you. Oh, ADJPY. Let's take a look at some of the other pairs in the meantime real quick. RQ. GPUSD, we don't care for that. Your JPY is actually retracing back to this level, so that's kind of crazy. But it's consolidating right now, so we don't care for that. GPCHF is also pushing towards this side. I'm curious to see how it ends up playing out. Considering the fact that there is a gap right here as well, I'm going to mark this and just see how this plays out. But I'm going to make this a different color. Let's make this the same color as liquidity, just so I can track the differences. All right, we'll see what happens over there. I will come back to that. AUD JPY, oil, and Euro AUD. Yeah, man, it's just one of those days. So let's go down to, oh, learn with a D, but it did pop up. What's good, Vanch? Welcome. Thank you, Adib, for resubbing. You're an evil person. Thank you for resubbing. Adib, are you happy? Your name popped up. Okay, now we have 3 people who subbed today. One being, you know what I mean, from the past, back in the future. It is what it is. Let's see what's happening with Nas. Nas is moving steadily towards the downside, but now it's pushing back up. We will see what occurs. I just want to get back to some of these ones here. GPCHF, yeah. So we'll monitor this, and then we will look at Nas for now. Yeah, yo, Adib is on some stuff, bro. Where's Shosho at? Shosho's another mischievous guy, bro. Oh my goodness. Where you guys at? Where y'all at? So this is what we got going on for Nas. Adib is laughing. Adib, you already know the sound I'm about to play for you. All right?
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Yes, sir.
You are a bad boy.
Can you know my POV or what I think of Gold Funded Trader? So listen, this is what I think of Gold Funded Trader. I personally have not used their platform, but in my experience, when I did reach out to them on customer service, they did not respond. Okay, when I went to their online chat, it took a while. Answers weren't great. Customer service experience was not a very good one, to be quite honest. So that's my experience. But in terms of how they are with trading conditions, I can't tell you, but people in my chat have made it known. They voiced out that the experience was not great. One of them, who I bought a account for, didn't get it till like literally last week. And we bought that account like almost 2 months ago. Okay, didn't get their credentials until like last week. So it's not great, in my opinion. Marcus said bad boy. Yeah, Adib's a bad boy. All right, so let's see what's happening with some of these real quick. AUDJPY, I think I'm gonna let that go. Let's go and actually check out gold. All right, let's see what's happening with gold. So gold has come up here, or come down here, sorry, and is starting to play around. Guys, we just really gotta truly wait it out and see what happens with gold. I need this thing to hit TP so we can play our congratulations song, guys. Even though it's not really real. We need a song for when we don't hit TP. I gotta work on that. So yeah, man. This is all that we've got today. Today is just one of those days, guys. And the old me, what I would have been doing is I would have been taking all these trades that you see me taking right now as a paper trade, because I'd be like, oh, I gotta find the trade today. You guys, let the trades find you. Be patient. Let the trades find you. I'm saying let the trades find you. Just be patient. The trades will come to you. You'll be able to get what you want. And the rest will all work itself out. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. This is interesting. Gotta be patient. All right, so let's see what happens. Oh, are we about to hit TP? Come on. Come on. Gold moving crazy bro. Gold moving insane, bro. Well, not really, to be honest. Like, I can't act like the trade I took made sense. So gold is actually kind of following what it's supposed to do. But in terms of like how it's moving on overall, okay, gotcha. In terms of how it's moving overall, it's been like, oh, I think we hit TP. Yeah, buddy, we just hit TP, guys. So at least we hit TP on Nas. Awesome. Awali said, hey, bro, what's up? What's up, Awali? What's good? What's good, brother? Today's just weird. But here's what I noticed, guys. Over the weekend, I was also doing some back testing. And I noticed that if I take all my trades, every single trade I ever mark up, the ones that are impulsive, the ones that are guessed, the ones that are following my strategy, I'm still over 50%, which made me feel kind of good, because I'm like, you know what? I've come a long way. Because back in the day, if I was taking every setup I saw, I was like doing 20 and 30%. So that's pretty good. And then if I really follow my setup, I'm in the high 70s to like the 80s. percentage wise. So that's really good. I mean, you guys saw we just came off of a 9-win winning streak, 9-trade winning streak, if that's the word, right? So it's been pretty good. Marcus said, let's go. Thank you, Marcus. We hit TP, but I don't feel like playing the congratulations song because, you know what I mean? It's not a real, like, we took a paper trade, not an actual trade. So I feel like that would just be like stolen valor if I ended up playing the congratulations song. More than 50% is good. Yeah, 1,000%, even 50% is solid, to be honest. If you're risking 1 to 2, 1 to 3, you'll be all right. You will be all right. A-okay. So we have that played out. So earlier this morning, too, you guys can see we had this one as well. Okay. This one as well. I was supposed to take that trade. Left without me. That hit TP. Okay. And then I'll show you what else we took this morning. Well, we were supposed to take. Right here. Let me go back just a little. Just a little. All right. Price came back into this zone, ended up pushing up and came down. You know how they like to do it, retest. And you guys see these candles? It's not news. Good old 930. Those of you who trade indices know that 930, you get candles equivalent to news candles. It's just the most violent type of open ever. So, you know what I mean? Most of the setups today did hit. So if I took 4 setups today, we have NAS, we have US 30, we have gold, and we have NAS again. That's 4 setups. 3 of them won. Only 1 did not play out. And the one that did not play out had no technicals behind it. Go figure. So was late though. Analysis on GP and CHF, Euro, CHF. We did GP, CHF earlier. So let me do GP, JPY, sorry. Let's do that. We were looking at it with Marcus. Marcus, look, it kind of did what we were thinking about, how like it might take liquidity and go down. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, price already went down. At this point, because of where we are, I would just leave it alone. I wouldn't touch it, to be quite honest. But that's just me, okay? But when I look at like the higher time frames and stuff for that, this is the area I'm actually waiting for. I'm waiting for price to get back to this area. Wait. I think we are. There we go. So price came down, and then. No, I'm sorry, Marcus. Never mind. It's because we were in replay mode. All right, so price. Alert on GP, JPY. Oh, to say that we were breaking lows. So price came up all the way here. Yeah, it's still kind of doing it because it swept liquidity and went down. I don't use liquidity to trade, by the way, guys. It's just one of those things that when I tried to use it, it didn't help me at all. At all. There's just so many other factors involved. It's better you just learn sound technicals, in my opinion. Price came up all the way here. Consolidated. Okay. And then, oops. Let me show you guys something. Consolidated, and now it's breaking down here. So what I'm trying to figure out is where it's going to retest. Very interesting. Very interesting. We're going to use this. I'm going to see if price is going to come down to that level and then go back up. We'll see what happens. I'm out already. Good for you, Marcus. Good for you. And Nas was a lot of my trades that are quick scalps where the price is going the opposite direction. You can see they do this a lot. They just hit. You guys remember the trade we took last week? Where was it? Same thing happened. Oops. Price hit TP and then just started. Was it this one? It was this one. I've just extended it to a 1 to 8 just to, I think I was showing you guys like if I had held it, what would have happened. But initially, let me go back down here. Initially, when we got into the trade, okay, let me move this over so you guys can see. Initially, when we got into the trade, we were aiming for a 1 to 2. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, 1 to 2. And I think what happened here is like as soon as price took us out, wait for it. There we go. There. So it took us out, and then next candle. Was it this trade or was it the other one? It might have been this trade. It may not have been. I'm not sure. But there was a trade we took last week where price literally tapped it. Oh, it was the one on Euro JPY. Price tapped us out and then just shot right back up. So a lot of the trades are like that. It's pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. So GBP CHF. Oh my gosh. Guys, we just missed this setup. We just missed this play. This is why I should have both of these open. Look at this. Where we marked up that price was gonna come and give us maybe a little bit of a push. It's exactly what happened. We just missed the setup. We missed the setup. Well, to be fair, this is not really my play. This is more so my play, like price breaking here. But I don't like these because if I enter, let's say right here, look at where my stop loss has to be, which means I have to hold the trade all the way down here. Right? Which is not great. That's not what I want. I don't want to have to hold the trade all the way down there. I want to get in around up here. These are the areas I like to get in because then I can maybe even go for 1 to 8. Let's see. Let's see. You know what? Let's try and see if we could do that. I'm going to... Oh, this is too low. I think I would have gotten... I'd have gotten probably like right here. All right, we'll see if we can get ourselves a nice 1 to 8. But yeah, man. Because there is no volume. Yeah, there's no volume. Whoa, GPCHF. Yeah, bro. GPCHF just plummeting. Plummeting, guys. Absolutely plummeting. NAS is also actually pushing back down. So that's very interesting. GPJPY starting to kind of reverse back to the upside. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. Guys, trading is simple, to be quite honest. You're either gonna be right or wrong, but the complicated part is our emotions. That's really all that it is. Really and truly all that it is. That's the complicated part, is our emotions. All right, guys. GBP, what was it? GPCHF that we just missed? Oh my father. Ew, my gosh. Look at these red candles, bro, like just non-stop. Looking like a Heikin-Ashi chart. Sheesh. This is very interesting. Very interesting, guys. Very interesting. What else are you guys trading this morning? What else are you guys trading this morning? We've done a couple setups to show you guys already. What else are you guys trading this morning? All right, so I'm going to re-enter right here. Look at, bro, this is why I hate spreads. Let me see how far up we have to go. Okay, that's fine. We're going to see if this so-called 1 to 2 will work out. Okay, you guys, I don't like long positions like that where like, because look, if I enter here, look at this stop loss. Well, technically it's supposed to be here. I think that's where we got in, like right here. You see what I'm saying? Super long. Yona Yilsa, what's up? What's up, Yona? What's good? What's good? What's good? We took a paper trade here this morning. Took one on gold, lost as well. So we're 1 for 1 this morning. We're about to enter this one, or we did enter this one. We're going to see if we're going to be able to ride this all the way down here. I'm trying to prove a point of these long TPs. I mean, technically, when your analysis is correct, it should still go in your direction, but it's not the greatest thing. It's not the greatest thing. Bro, I don't think it is a good idea. Yeah, definitely not. You know what I mean? I don't think it's great either. But again, this is a paper trade, guys. And if you haven't noticed, on this account here, we can afford these things. 3.5 mil, bro. We all right. Started from 100K and now we here. Oops. So we'll see how this goes. NAS already hit our TP. It's going towards the downside some more. GPJPY, we're going to see how that plays out. Let me, in the meantime, go look at some other pairs. US 30. Oh, wow. US 30 is actually back in this zone. Imagine that. Imagine that. US 30 went all the way down here, shot all the way back up. Let's take a look at the 15. See what we're looking at. Again, no reason at all to get into a buy at all with this. We'll continue to monitor this and see if it gives us a setup around here. If it's because sometimes when price does this, right, comes all the way down here and goes up, sometimes it's just retesting to continue down. Sometimes it's doing this. So we'll wait to see what price tells us, and if it gives us what we're looking for, we will enter a trade. Simple as that. Fauci UJ, what's good, Fauci? Fauci. Okay, let's see what we can switch from. GP, let's go USD JPY. Oops. Oh my gosh. There we go. USDJPY. I think we already talked about this morning, didn't we? Yeah. This is where we're at for you, UJ. Okay, price was supposed to, let me just go out here a little more. Price was, no, it was the 1 hour, wasn't it? Was it the 4 hour? Yeah, so price was supposed to, after coming down here, okay, it's supposed to break this level, come back, respect this level, continue downwards. It didn't do that. Went down, and it's doing this. And then over here, it's starting to push down. So the reason why we have 2 marked up is because this area of price is giving us a bit of an issue, and this area price didn't respect at all. So what we're anticipating is that if there is some sort of a push towards the downside, it might be back from here. Like it might be from here. Either way, my recommendation to you, to be quite honest, you can see on the 1 hour chart, price gave us our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and now we're making higher highs. So we're at least going to push. If you're in a trade, this is where, if you're in a trade, this is where I'm getting out. Like if I'm in a trade, I'm out around here. I don't want no issues. Okay. I personally, this is not like a chart or a setup that looks good to me in any sense of the word, in any fashion at all. I don't want no parts of it. I'm gonna leave it alone. This gap right here is the reason why I've decided to not touch this pair today. Same thing happened with, I showed this already, AUDJPY. Okay. Same thing. AUDJPY has this massive gap, and I'm not interested in touching it until it gives me, you know, like better setups. So what were we on just now? GBP JPY. Okay. All right. So GBP JPY, we're going to continue to watch it and see. Let me actually just set an alert here. Let me do that. Trading zone. All right. GBP CHF. We're going to see what happens there. And then NAS, US 30, we're going to see how this works out as well. All right. You want to say US 30, indeed interesting. It's at the prior day's low. Could be a turnaround point here to go up. Could be. Absolutely could be. Awali said, bought GPJPY stop loss. All right, Awali, let's take a look at yours. So he said he bought GPJPY. We're going to put in a buy marker for Awali, and we're going to mark up his chart. Okay, so he said stop loss is 190.739. So 190. Okay. Cool. Entry, let's see what his entry is at. 191.254. Okay. Entry, and then TP is 192.513. Perfect, right? 513. Perfect. All right, Awali, thanks for giving me your coordinates. Okay. Very interesting. Very, very interesting, Awali. I like where you put your stop loss, that for sure. If you're going to be in a buy, your stop loss is in a very safe spot, in my opinion. Because if price starts breaking below this, we already know we're mostly wrong. It could, you know what I mean, come test these areas still to go up. But on the short term, if I was scalping, then that's where my stops would be. In terms of going towards the upside, this zone here we marked up is, in my opinion, what I'm looking at. So we'll see. What I'm not too thrilled about is this zone, because even if it does hit TP, you might get a bit of resistance and stuff before going up, but it could. Let me take a look at this overall. 1 second. Okay, so we came into the zone we marked up, pushed down. We're making bearish structure. So far we're overall bearish, meaning even if price coming all the way down here goes up, at some point we should get this again. That's what it looks like. Price can do anything, but that's what it looks like. However, we do have this massive gap here to fill as well. So you might be right on your analysis. But for me, I would be bearish and only looking for sells in this condition. But it's totally up to you as to how you want to go about this. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll cheer you on, Awali. And yeah, best of luck, brother. I will look for other things to kind of, you know what I mean? What's the word I'm looking for? Confirm the entry. Guys, look at this nonsense. Have you guys heard of the MQL? I'll show you. I'm going to put one more thing here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Called Quasimodo. I know some of you know Quasimodo. I know some of y'all know Quasimodo. I know you do. Let's see. All right. You want to tap us in? Look at that. Story of my life. This happens all the time where price will tap me into a position, like come to the position and doesn't tap me in because of spreads. US 30 and GJ. All right. We're going to see how it goes. We're going to see how it goes. Today's just been a very awful day for trading, guys. You guys, look at this. Look at this nonsense. Price literally taps this line and then shoots down. How sucky is that? Guys, for those of you who are here and didn't get to hear me say it earlier, my birthday. Oh, wow. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to wait to see how price plays out here. We might be able to take a trade in this zone. My birthday, guys, is in a couple days. So I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow. I'm not going to be streaming on Wednesday. All right. Because that's my actual birthday. So I'll be back on Thursday. Back on Thursday. Back on Thursday. Be back on Thursday. For those of you who are here, please like the stream, guys. It helps a lot. If you guys like the stream, right? Keep liking the stream. It helps a lot with the algorithm. So like the stream for me, guys, please. That's all I ask. I don't ask you guys for nothing. Just to like the screen. Bro, how old will you really be? Marcus, I thought you knew. I already told you my age, Marcus. Marcus, I thought you know. Happy birthday in advance. Thank you, Black Owl. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you guys. And everybody else who wished me a happy birthday earlier already. Thank you guys so much. I thought you knew, Marcus. Marcus, we had this conversation, brother. Well, our cake. Our cake? You mean my cake? No, I'm kidding. Our cake. Yo, so Awali, I don't know if you're Nigerian, South African, Kenyan, Zimbabwean. I don't know where you're from. But it's either my country in Ghana or another country where when it's your birthday, you buy people stuff and like treat them to a day out, which is wild. Wild. All right, guys, wild. Super duper wild. So we're going to see what happens here. US 30 pushing towards the zone. And GBP, JP. Look at this, bro. The most sniper of sniper entries ever. And we didn't even get tapped in. How crazy is that? How absolutely crazy is that, guys? Yeah, you remember vaguely. Got you. Oh, Uganda. Got you. So is it the same in Uganda, Wally? I grew up with some Ugandan people. They were, out of all the African countries, I think they were the nicest people. No word of a lie. The Ugandans I met were very nice. But then again, I met this other Ugandan. Anyways, shout out to you if you're from Uganda. Shout out to you. US 30 pushing. Okay, now it's starting to push down. Guys, we'll see something here. We'll see. GPCHF, GPJPY. We've got quite the options, guys. Quite the options. Nah, that'd be too much. Let me do 100. I think that's good. All right, guys, I'm going to get into a paper trade here just to see if our zone will play out. Okay, don't take none of these trades. These trades are not legit. If you notice, I'm not taking them on this here because they're not trades we should be entering. All right, if it's a trade we should be entering, you guys will see me enter like I did last time. All right. Alrighty there, bud. W for Uganda. Yes, sir. USD dropping now. Trend line support, even though I don't trade trend lines. Interesting to watch. Got you. I'm going to check it out in just a second. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Bro, we boys sometimes don't even know how old we are. That's hilarious. Oh my God, Fauci. Yeah, it's your country. They buy gifts. Send the gifts, fams. How about you guys send the gifts? I have a link to super chats in the description. You guys send gifts, bro. I was born in Canada, bro. I know nothing about that. But yeah, bro, it happens, man. I've seen it a couple times where what's it called, on the birthday, mans take everybody out, buy stuff, bro. It gets expensive, bro. It gets expensive. It gets expensive, guys. We hit over 100 members on Discord, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway soon, probably when I get back. All right, shout out to everybody who's in the Discord. Join the Discord if you're new. Did I not pin the Discord? Oh, I didn't. My fault. If you're new, let me pin it. There you go. Join the Discord, guys. It's free. Free Discord and free Telegram. Oh, shoot. We went right back in here. Ooh, not a great sign. GPJPY. Okay, guys, look what's happening with GPJPY. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to do two things here. Why is this so... Nah, that's so weak. Okay, let me see. Let me see what happens. How big of a deal is it going to be? All right, it's not too bad. We will put it just here. And then I will have two positions. Okay, so let me do... I'll show you guys what I want to do. Guys, don't take these trades. If you're taking, you lose. I don't want to hear, yo, foreign. Yo, foreign, dog. I don't want to hear nothing. I told you guys not to take these trades. These are all gamble trades. Okay, our technicals aren't even that sound right here. We're just literally, as we would say back home, trying to ting. I want the next entry to be about right here. About here. Wait. Come on. Okay, that's good enough. Whatever. We'll do another trade and we'll buy from that level as well. We'll put stop loss here. And TP will be... Sorry, guys. I know you can't see. Let me just move it like this. There we go. Adiba's crying. I got to cut the grass, so I will be out for a bit. Got you, bro. Do your thing, man. Do your thing. Do your thing, brother. Do your thing. Bro, today's a slow day. And I think somebody said to check Euro USD. GPCH. Okay, wait. All right, let me use this to check Euro USD real quick. Euro USD. He said something about trend lines. Let's see. Oh, I see. I see. Kind of like one of these, I guess. All right, so that's interesting as well. Very interesting, actually. We'll see how this closes. If it closes within the next, 26 minutes, we'll be all right. GPCHF is about to hit stop loss. Yoicks. And then we'll see what happens with GPJPY. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. We have 3 people who subbed today, one being one of us. The other 2 being genuine subs. So shout out to those guys who subbed. This week, man. I feel like I might not miss out too much this week because I'm not going to be here for 2 days. So I may not miss out. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out. We'll see how this plays out. So we have this setup here. That would be 5 setups, and then this would be 6. Oh, let me go back to US 30 real quick, actually. Let's see what's going on here. 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 Let's take a look at prices turning around a little bit there. Same thing over here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's watch this one. Let's get this one going. Let's see. Let's see. Days like this, I'm grateful. Days like this, I'm grateful that I just followed my plan and was disciplined. Oy. Very slow day, guys. So, guys, this is a prime example of how boring trading can be. Like, if I wasn't talking to you guys, I would just be chilling. You know what I should do? You know what I should do, guys? I should game. I should game while we're on here. I started playing Destiny again yesterday. It was kind of fun. I ain't gonna lie. It was kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty cool. I didn't get to play COD, and I didn't play any 2K. So Destiny is the only thing that I'm kind of playing right now. What do you guys play, by the way? Let me know. What do you guys play? In fact, let's start a bit of a console war right now. Let's start a console war right now. Are you a... Because we're not going to... Okay, let's do this. Xbox. Or... Wait. All right, we're going to start a bit of a console war right now. Just 1 second. Xbox. Fanboy. / gal. And then we'll do PlayStation. All right, let's see. Let's see. What are you guys? Oh, bro. Game and trade. Yes. Yeah, I got to figure out how to do it. I don't know how, because my Xbox is here, but I don't know how I can get it on stream so you guys could see. I'd probably have to stream on Twitch or something. Or on Insta. I don't know. I'd have to figure it out. Oh, I think we hit. Oh, we got into our second position. So, why do we have so many here? Let me get rid of this. Oh, that's why, because this was my initial position. All right, so let me move this over. And price is up, is just flooring. Absolutely flooring. All right, so we're going to see what happens with that. I'll just let it stay here. That way we can see. Ooh, PlayStation people only. How many votes? Oh, just one. Let's get some votes in here, guys. What do you guys play? Oh, you know what I should have added? I should have added. Okay, let me end the poll, guys. Let me end the poll. Don't vote yet. Let me do this again. Let me do this again. We're going to start a different one. What do you play? I'll just put that for now. We'll say Xbox. We'll add PC. And then we'll add... We'll say weirdo. Nintendo. What's the other one called? Is it Steam? Yeah. Which one? 1 second, guys. Which one? You. All right, guys, here we go. Here's the poll. I'm going to get some hate. US 30. Just completely dominating. Interesting setup, guys. Very, very interesting. Let's get some votes. Let's get some votes in here, people. Which one are you? Which one you guys play? Which one are you loyal to? Let's get some votes. Okay, here we go. Oh, people are taking back their trade. Okay. Wow, so far, everybody who's voted so far is PlayStation. Oh, we got PC. Ooh. 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 Guys, look what GPJPY is doing. That's a crazy push. That is an insane push. That is an insane push. That is an insane push, guys. Crazy push. Wow, we got some weirdos in here. I'm just kidding, guys. I just want to start some drama. Guys, look at this push on GBP/JPY. That's pretty nice. Hopefully CHF is going the other way. Nope. Nope. Let me take a look here. Yeah. So that might hit stop loss. We'll see what happens. You guys, look at GBP/JPY. It is pushing, bro. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to move this out here real quick. Guys, look at this. I'll do this. Look at this, guys. That push is nasty work, bro. All right. Let's get some more votes in here, guys. Come on, there's 10 people in here. Vote. Vote. Yeah, stop loss hit on GPCHF. Oh, wow. Because of spreads, though. We're not even... We even hit it for real. So, because of spreads. So, you guys see why? So, this proves my fault. You guys see why I don't chase the trade and say, oh, okay, well, price broke structure here. Let me get it. I don't like setups like that. I like to get in when the structure is, you know, happened really high up. The room for hitting TP is really not small per se, but like it's reasonable. I don't like situations like this because you have to like the journey is long towards the downside. All right, let me just get rid of that. We'll keep that there as a reminder. We have this to look at, and we have GBP/JPY. So far, that's the one that's pushing. Let's see. Let's see. No one else gonna vote? No one else gonna vote? Let's get at least 2 more votes in here, guys. Let's get at least 2 more votes in here. Let's get at least 2 more votes in here. So far, PlayStation is winning. So it looks like if I want to game with you guys, I'm going to have to... Oh, bro, I don't have any of them. Oh, I see. Some of you guys don't have any. Gotcha. It looks like if I'm going to game with you guys, I might have to buy a PlayStation. Because you know which one I have? The one that nobody voted for. That's so bad. I think Marcus is the only one in here. Well, he's gone now. He has to go cut his grass. Marcus is the only one besides myself who has an Xbox. So some of you guys don't have a system at all. Interesting. I am one of these guys. I used to be a PlayStation person. And then I I switched to Xbox because of the controllers. And I've been able to look back ever since. I don't know what it is, man. The controls on Xbox are just so good to use. So good to use. And my operating system is XP. Oh, wow. Shout out to you, bro. Fauci said I grew up playing Halo. Bro, do you remember the days of Halo? Yo, before we had online, like, you know what I mean, where we were playing multiplayer. Do you remember when we had the 4 screens, you and like 3 of your boys playing on the same screen? Those were the days, bro. Those were the days. I remember we used to play Halo. Then we would play Smash Bros. Oh my gosh. Smash Bros will forever be a goated game, bro. Smash Bros is absolutely fire. And yo, before, let me tell you the originator of all these COD games that you see. James Bond 007 GoldenEye for N64 started this whole thing. That is the game that took first-person shooter to a next level. That game, thank you. Fauci knows. Fauci knows. All right, bro, those were the days. I remember being young. And yo, things are so weird now because everything's online. Back in the day, so let's say me and Fauci are boys, right? And we want a game, bro. I'm going over to Fauci's house with a controller, or he's coming over to my house with a controller or his system, and we would game, bro. We would play Marvel vs. Capcom. We would play Street Fighter Alpha 3, Alpha 4. We would play so many. GoldenEye, yes. Yona knows Smash Bros. Is fire. GoldenEye, bro, those were the days, bro. I'm not a gamer, but before I played mobile game. Now I'm leaved. Okay, got you. So you just kind of got into mobile gaming. Mobile gaming is not the same as playing these consoles I'm telling you guys about. Those consoles, Mario Kart. You guys remember Mario Kart? Somebody throw a banana or a turtle shell at you. You throw fist in real life. Yo, sometimes the games get so heated, man, start throwing fists, bro. Oh my goodness. You guys remember, Fauci might remember this. You remember when NBA Street came out? Street Volume 2? That game was absolutely legendary. Bro, so many good games, bro. Where you used to have to play with your friends. There was no online. It was you and your boys, you and your homies. Bro, those were the days, bro. I remember those days like no tomorrow. I miss those days a lot. Fauci's laughing. Bro, it's a real thing, bro. It's a real thing. Let me end this poll real quick. It's a real thing, man. It's a real thing. You know what I mean? GoldenEye, Ocarina of Time, Super Mario Kart 64, Tekken. Do you know how many, you guys, look at how GBP is flying, bro. Oh my goodness. Guys, we might actually hit TP. This would be a fire trade. So guys, remember I was telling you that like at this point, if I want to, I can just move my stops to break even and it would still be like a decent trade. But remember I was telling you guys, if I take every single setup I see, some guesses and whatever, some of them are still good. Look at this. Like, look at this. You see what I'm saying? We've taken so far, that was trade number 6. Out of 6 trades, we've won 4. We've only lost 2. So if I literally took these challenges just like this, just taking whatever setups I see, it'd still be all right. Now, here's the reason why I marked up this zone. Remember, I told you guys that when price is consolidating, if it breaks up, it's going towards a zone to go down, right? And if it breaks down, it's going towards a zone to go up. You guys are seeing it live and in color. Okay? Anyways, oh, bro, NBA Street got me playing basketball in real life. Bro, NBA Street was so legendary, dog. Oh, my God. I miss those days a lot, man. Miss those days a lot. That's how, like, you and your friends bonded, bro. That's how you guys... Yeah, bro. Fauci said the same thing. Oh, my God, miss those days, no cap. Bro, that's how... When we were homies back in the day, bro, the reason why we used to ride for each other, roll with each other, and stay out of trouble, and if anybody ever came at us, it was crazy, is because our bond was legit. Our bond was legit. Like, if you and I are homies, we're homies, bro. Like, all my best friends growing up, we were so tight. You couldn't, bro, one for all and all for one, bro. Those were the days. Now things are a little weird. Everybody, social media is just made in such a way where we're connected more than ever, as they say, but not really. You know what I mean? Not really. It's crazy work, man. It's crazy work. As you guys can see, we're having a little bit of trouble at this area here. Surprise, surprise, right? That's how it goes, guys. The markets do the same thing every day. Every single day. You know what I mean? But yeah, I miss those days like no tomorrow. I miss like having the boys over. Bro, those were the best. You guys remember the sleepovers? Dog, I remember one time we had a Marvel vs. Capcom sleepover. This is the thing with when you have sleepovers with boys, bro. You gotta watch yourself when you sleep because somebody gonna do something crazy. I remember this one kid, bro. We had a sleepover. We were gaming all night. I think we went to bed like 5 in the morning because we were just so burnt, right? And this one kid went to bed early, bro. They started farting on this guy's face. They just started like, yo, the guy woke up. He's like, man, it stinks in here. Bro, he had no idea what happened, bro. So you can't fall asleep at certain sleepovers, bro, or else mans are gonna do something crazy. This was when I was in Calgary. So Calgary was a different crowd. But I learned to play hockey in Calgary. Love to play hockey in Calgary. Loved it. Till this day, I want to kind of get back into it. I learned to play ball when I got to Toronto. I remember when I got to Toronto because I was born in Toronto. Then we moved to BC. Then we moved to Calgary. So by the time I came back from Calgary, all I played was hockey. And I remember, bro, I came back to school like Fauci. Do you know? I think it's called. Is it Bloor-Lee? I think it's called Bloor-Lee. But anyways, that's the school that I went to. And I remember I'm like, does anybody play hockey? All the black guys are like, dog, what'd you say? Like, we don't play no hockey, dog. We play ball. You don't play ball? They're looking at me like, yo, what's wrong with you, bro? Oh, my gosh. Bro, me and my best friend play Gran Turismo. GT as well, but GT has just become so nasty. Where you had do like 6-hour races. Yeah, bro, we stayed up the whole night and took turns. Oh, man. Nostalgia, bro. Nostalgia. Oh, my gosh. Like I said, I used to live in NE in Calgary too. Really? That's fire. Look what's happening now here, guys. But I gotta actually switch to oil because oil is finally at our level. But guys, look what GBP we're about to hit. You guys, if we hit TP on this, I'm gonna play the congratulations song because this was a nasty trade. I'm gonna play the congratulations song. Yo, GTA San Andreas was, oh my god, this guy knows. Vice City was crazy, but San Andreas was goated, bro. Yo, you guys are making me like miss the good old days. Why didn't you take the GPJ? Because, bro, it's not like, even though the setup and everything matched, it wasn't really high technicals. I didn't look into it that well. I was just looking at, you know what I mean? Sometimes you can eyeball stuff and be like, oh, this is mostly what's gonna happen. But it's not. I want to show you guys disciplined trading. I marked up the chart. I looked at this area. I knew where we were at. My initial place to get into a trade is here. This is what I'm waiting for. So that's why I didn't touch the trade. All right. But I get it, Fauci. And this is like, as a new trader, when you have things like this, you're like, oh, the next one I'm taking. Guys, be disciplined. Just stay with your strategy. Okay. Just stay with it. Don't let nothing change your mind. Just stay with it. I promise you. If you stay with your strategy, everything's going to work out the way you want. All right, so here we have another one. This, I'm not gonna take you there. What time is it? Almost 11? Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. Any like USD related pairs, I leave alone after 11. I don't touch. So we'll see. The day that hit me, the day they hit my head during rugby, this isn't my thing. Oh gosh, you played rugby? Rugby is insane, dog. Rugby is crazy. People think football is crazy. Rugby is like, you play rugby when you have zero regard for health and for your life. Guys, I think we're going to hit TP on this one. Hopefully it does. If it does, we'll play our congratulations song. Let me see if I can get you guys on camera. Let's see. We're about to hit TP, guys. When we hit TP, I'm going to get you guys to spam the chat. And I'm going to put you guys on Instagram. So let me see if I can get this going. 1 second. 1 second, guys. I gotta prep. If it hits TP before, cool. Yo, I didn't get a notification. I thought no live. Oh, really? That makes sense. A lot of people have been telling me this recently, that they're not getting the notification when I'm live. So that's really weird. That's really, really weird. I gotta do something about that, guys. I gotta do something about that. All right, guys. So, oh, man. Gotta move all this. All right, guys. So we're about to hit TP. All right, guys. So when we hit TP, I'll play the congratulations song. And when we hit TP, I want you guys to spam the chat with fire emojis and all that good stuff. All right, guys. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, Fauci, I'm going to work on it. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, even like in the Discord, I'm going to say, an announcement. Hey everyone, I'm live right now in a live trade. Will be on for about half an hour more. Hope to see you there. And yeah, send now. All right, so hopefully, I think what I gotta start doing is start telling you guys that I'm live. All right, guys. Hopefully it does it. Come on, give us the push we're looking for. I think this is it. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. What kind of sorcery is this, bro? This should be hitting TP already. There we go. We hit TP, guys. We hit TP. We hit TP, guys. We hit TP. Fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat. You guys are going to be on Instagram. Fire emojis in the chat. We hit TP. We hit TP. Fire emojis in the chat, guys. Fire emojis in the chat. Excellent trade. Excellent trade. Excellent trade. Fire emojis in the chat. Fire emojis in the chat. Extremely happy. Yes, sir. Let's play our congratulations song, guys. Let's play our congratulations song. For everybody who was here from the get, everybody who was here from the jump. Oh, shoot, wrong one. We're about to play our congratulations song. Congratulations to everybody who's in a trade, everybody who won today, everyone who's doing well. Congratulations, all my lovely people.
Congratulations.
Shosho, don't mess up the vibe, bro. Hit that fire emoji, bro. Don't mess up the vibe with what's up, people. What's up, Shosho? You just hit TP. Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
That's a fire trade, no cap, bro. That's a fire trade. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what's up. That's what's up. Shout out all my foreigners, bro.
Yeah, I celebrate you.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Clap it up, everybody. Clap it up. Clap it up. Clap it up. Oh, shoot. Clap it up. Clap it up. Clap it up. All right. Congratulations once again, everybody.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
We're extremely happy for
We
you.
are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Yes, sir. All right. Let's get some
W's in the shot.
Yes, sir.
W's in the shot.
Because we hit that nasty trade.
Jeez.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what's up, bro. Shout out to all you guys. Appreciate all you guys. You guys going to be on my Instagram story later on today in the evening at some point. Guys, check out my Instagram stories. Follow me on. Let me write it right here. Well, I'll type it up after. Thank you for liking the stream, putting the confetti. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, my goodness. Yes, sir. That's what's up. All you guys going to be on my Instagram later on. All right, guys. All you guys, thank you so much for all the W's. Thank you for everything. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That was a great trade. A great trade, guys. Really good trade. That setup was nasty work. And these are the setups that I'm used to taking. And this is why I wanted to do the series. Because the setups I take, they're usually like this. This is what I'm looking for when I enter a trade. But recently, the markets have been so awful. You guys can't see me take these type of setups. But God willing, we should get more of these. We should get more of these. That was a fire trade. Bro, what about your website? Any update? Yes. Guys, bear with me. So I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I try to set up these 3 things over the weekend for you guys. Let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Let me see. Oh, gosh, I keep doing this. You guys can't see that. All right, so where's my website? I think it's here. All right. So you see this? This is supposed to change to 3 things that you guys are going to love. But the challenge is, one second. The challenge is that getting some of the stuff where you guys can enter, get the I don't want to ruin the surprise, but getting the stuff where you guys can, you know what I mean? Let me take this off real quick. Sorry. Getting the stuff where you guys can get the benefits I'm trying to hand over to you guys is unfortunately becoming a challenge. So that's what I'm working on right now. But you guys, when this site is said and done, you guys are going to love it. Promise you. Thank you, Javier. Thank you, Show. Learn with the Deep. Thank you, all you guys. Every single one of you. But still holding 2 more trades of GPJPY. Are you? If you are, nice. Look, because it's still going. Now, this is the zone that I'm anticipating a reversal from, or at least a push down from. So I would say if you're in, be careful. All right, this is the zone. This is the zone right here. All right, so this is the zone. Be super careful as you're here now. All right. Shout out to all you guys. That was fire having you guys react to that. That was super fire. I'm going to miss you guys. Those of you who are just getting in, I'm not going to be here tomorrow. No live stream tomorrow. No live stream on Wednesday because it's my birthday. So, you know what I mean? I got to get some stuff done. But guys, I'll have a video out for you guys tomorrow. Okay, so that you guys have something to watch. And Wednesday as well. Hopefully I can get those 2 done while I'm gone. All right? So, yeah, man. That was a really good trade. These are the trades we look for every day. Like you want these type of setups. This was a fire setup. This was a really nice trade. Really, really nice trade. One for a 1 to 4, the other one for a 1 to 2. A total of a 1 to 6. Proper. All right, guys. So I hope you guys are learning from this. You see what I'm saying? You see how I get into these trades. Today, I didn't give you guys the best explanations. I won't lie. But I wanted to prove to you guys that when price breaks out of a consolidation, it usually goes from one zone to the next. Okay? Happens a lot. And I discovered this by trading indices. So today, let's look at all the setups that we had. I think we had 6 setups and we won 4. 4 setups out of 6. Hope you're doing it on Euro CHF. Let's see. Let's take a look at Euro CHF. Euro versus the Swiss franc, baby. Ooh, this is interesting. Look at this. Look at this. All right, so we have this going on. And as you guys can see, we were making higher highs and higher lows, and then eventually we started making lower highs and lower lows, okay? We broke down towards this side, went this way. All right, then from here, we've been playing this game, and then boom. So I like the way it's doing this. It could come back, do this, and go up. But for the meantime, I am bearish. Even though this is a bullish trend, I'm bearish. I would have loved to see price come into here. Would have loved to see that. What it's reacted to right now is this in the time being. So I'm going to leave that alone. Don't really like that. If I am looking to go up, here's what I'm seeing right now. Price is low-key, kind of playing within this area, which also happens to be a very strong area towards the left side. So this tells me we're in a good spot. Now, I got to wait to see what happens. Is price going to respect this gap and go towards the upside? Or is it going to come back up here? For me personally, I'm actually more interested in this right now. Okay, so we'll see what happens around this area. I want to see what oil is doing. Guys, I might enter another paper trade here. I might. Okay, we'll see what happens here. And then we have GPJPY. So we'll see what happens with all of these. Hope you do. Yeah. Advance happy birthday, brother. Thank you, Mr. R. I appreciate it. Yonio, bro, are you here? He said yes. He said yes, mate. I am here. Now, this is going to be tricky because you guys, it's after 11. So you don't want to mess with USD related pairs after 11. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I might take another paper trade. I want to show you guys everything, and then you guys will eventually see me. You guys will eventually see me take these trades live on this account right here. Okay? That GBP JPY trade was gross. Gross. That would have been a beautiful... That would have put us heavily. But again, you guys, discipline is the number one thing for me. Discipline over everything. All right, so... Guys, I'm going to hop into a paper trade. I want to explain something to you guys here real quick. Oop, terrible entry. But we're going to do it like this. And we're going to aim. I want to get in right here. Okay, I want to aim for a nice 1 to 2 real quick. All right, people. And I'll explain to you guys what I'm thinking right after this. All right. The reason why I won't enter this trade for real is because of how price has been moving in this area, right? We've been playing too much in this area. So I might be able to catch a quick scalp, but I may not be able to catch a long push towards the downside. So that's where I'm at. Let's see if we can make this a 1 to 4 in any case. Your price would have to come up to a high level, but... All right. So super tight stop loss and all that good stuff, but I'll see if I can get in there for that. All right. And here's the thing about trading, guys. If your risk reward is really good. Yes, I did, Marcus. You just missed it. This one here, hit TP on live. We got everybody to spam the chat. Oh, you mean on the account? No, not on the account. Not on the account, but this trade was beautiful. All right. So now I'm taking this one. Thank you, Marcus. That's what's up. I'm trying to catch the reversal of gold. Oh, God, we haven't looked at gold in a hot minute. All right, let's go take a look at... Oh, gosh, it's so tough. So many to look at. Of the 3, though, this is the most. So I'm going to put an alert here. I'm going to say... Okay, and then I'm going to put one here and say... Oops. All right. And then let's go to gold. So we were looking at gold earlier today. Oh boy. All right, guys, so we're officially in both of these trades. All right, so we're going to see how it plays out. I'll move this to the side. If it takes us out, it takes us out. No biggie. But I'll explain to you guys what I was thinking. Now, if you guys notice, I didn't wait for my setup to play out where, like, you know, it breaks structure and all that stuff. I was getting in aggressive. But I'll show you guys what I mean. Okay, let me check out gold real quick while that's going on. All right, so with gold, those of you who were here earlier, you know that I was waiting for gold to kind of get to this level. This is the level that I want gold to get to before I start taking a trade. Right now, it's hovering around this area. So let's take a look at what's going on there. It's coming to this area. It's starting to kind of give us a bit of bearish structure here, right? And now this is what we got. Am I interested in this? Not a chance. I'm not going to touch this. Gold is a widow maker. You can kind of see right here, we had this kind of forming and then price broke. But the question is, are we actually going to be heading down, or is it going to find something within these areas? Right? Anything to go towards the upside. We got to wait and see. So I'll continue to kind of monitor gold. In the meantime, I think we're about to get stopped out here. Oh, not quite. All right. GBP JPY is still going. Sheesh. This would have been... Yeah, I wonder if we can get to a 1 to 8. Let's see. Because then we could have passed the whole challenge with this. I try not to think like that, guys, because it's not realistic. You wouldn't actually, especially on a trade like this, I probably wouldn't hold that long. I was back testing over the weekend. I'm starting to find certain areas that when you get into, price really should give you a 1 to 8. So I told you guys there's a strategy I'm working on. I'm working on that as well. I will release those. All right, guys. And it'll probably be just in time for the free course. Just in time for the free course. Let's take a look at this guy right here. Are we in any other trades right now? No, nothing. All right, so let's take a look at what's going to happen right here. Let me move this over. Let me change the color of this. This is just too dark right now. And let me change. Let me change this one as well to, yeah, there we go. All right, that way we can kind of see this a bit better. All right, guys, so we'll see if it's going to keep us in the trade or if it's going to take us out. Now, I don't know what the spreads is on here, so it might pull a GBP JPY or GPCHF, and like when it gets over here, we're already out. But who knows? We'll see what happens, guys. We shall see. We shall see, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome trading week while I'm not here. I will miss you guys a lot, I'm saying. I will miss you guys quite dearly for the 2 days that I'm away. But I know we'll have fun when I get back. Alrighty. We'll see what happens with this, guys. We will see. AUD, NZD, good sell opportunity price. Oh, wait. Yo. My guy, what's his name? Awali, you're the one that's in this trade, aren't you? You're the one that's in this trade right here. Ah, so you might actually be getting close to TP. You might actually be getting close to TP. Let me go to the 5 minute. Who knows? You might actually hit your TP today, brother. We will see. You say you're still holding the trade, so gotcha. Bro, look at this. We need a nice push towards the downside, like a nice strong push. It's 11 o'clock. We might get that a reversal effect to, like, you know, work for us. We may not. We will see what happens. AD, good sell. That is a new entry though, looks like. Yep. I'll take a look at AD NZD real quick, actually. AUD NZD. We're low-key in the middle of nowhere. Right? You can see There's a couple areas where price has been a bit challenged or challenging. Areas like that. You know what I mean? I don't like the way this forms and the way it moves, but that's not for me to decide. If you want to trade it, cool. I'm telling you right now, because we're in the middle of nowhere, I'm not really a fan of what's happening here. There's not really much to go off of. We do have up here a bunch of equal highs where price may want to take out. We did miss this move already. I'm waiting for price to come back to this level, or for price to see what happens when price gets to here, to be quite honest. I don't like the way this is moving at all, but I will say this: if you are bearish, here is the next area where you may want to consider. And if you're bullish, there isn't really much. You have this, but I would not touch this unless your stop loss or your take profit, right, is going to end here. If your take profit is going to end here, you might be able to find something within this area to take towards the upside. You might. All right, but so far I'm not really a fan. I ain't gonna cap. GPJPY. So, yeah, man, that's where we're at right now. Would this hit a 1 to 8? That would be nuts. If this hits a 1 to 8, that would be crazy. So, yeah, that's how I feel right now. So, let me give you the two spots again. Oh, we got hit stop loss on that, guys. All right, so usually when we take these trades, you want to wait for a break of structure and stuff like that. Oil, this is what I've noticed about oil recently. Oil recently has been just, seriously, since last week, just falling out the sky. Falling out the sky. So all I was doing in this case here, guys, I was saying, okay, we're at the zone and it's 11. Maybe we'll just get like a nice push towards the downside. That's all I was doing. All right, so it didn't quite play out. So we'll see what happens. It might give us another re-entry. No big deal, guys. We've taken a good amount of trades today. I'm just throwing everything at the fan. And so far, that would be trade number 7. So we were 4 for 6. Now we're 4 for 7. All right. That's off of every single like thing that I've guessed. You see what I'm saying? And all you need is for your trades to... This is such a beautiful trade, man. This is such a beautiful trade. Who knows? I might start looking at GPJPY because we've gotten some good setups with GPJPY. I think not a couple weeks ago, I think last week, it presented us with a couple nice opportunities, I think. Like this one here. I think this was one. I don't know what's going on with that over there. I've seen a couple opportunities that's made me say, nah, bro, maybe I should consider trading this. So, all right. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. All right, so price is breaking highs. No big deal. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I like the way this is moving so far, though. And DBS. Okay, those two are talking. Gudeman said PA in September was the worst. August, PA is starting to pick up. Yeah, yeah. August wasn't super great either. September, here's the thing. September, Marcus pointed this out earlier, that September usually price falls, and this year he was spot on. For September, for the most part, we've had a lot of indices. You name it, Forex, everything's just been tanking. But now we're starting to get it going back up because we're at the end of September. We're going back into October. So, you guys, we took this trade, closed at a 1 to 6 or 4 or whatever. So it's pretty good. But we want to see if it's going to hit a 1 to 8. That would be fire. That would be so fire. Finally able to make it. Hey, no problem, bro. We've missed you on the lives, guys. Goodamon. GU Demon. We've missed you online. I'm gonna just call you GU. I know it's Abdul, bro. I know it's you. Yeah, Abdul. I'll just say Abdul. I know it's you, Abdul. But we missed you on the lives, bro. We have been taking some trades. This morning, we've taken a total of... Well, how many setups did we take? 7 setups. And we are currently 4 for 7. Okay? And none of those trades, I think each of those trades, I think the lowest risk reward we took on those trades was a 1 to 2. The lowest. The last one we just took was a 1 to 4. So if we have, let's just do 4 by 2, that's 8R. Okay, and then we've lost 3R in total. You see what I'm saying? So we're still up 5R. So I'm going to say plus 5R. All right, not bad. And this is off of guesses. Got you, no problem, bro. This is off of it's some good profit. Congratulations to me. Good job, brother. Good job. Did you hit TP? Did you hit TP yet? I think your TP's almost hit. Almost hit. This is the area that I was a bit concerned about, so we'll see if it violates it. If it violates it, we'll get a 1 to 8, and you'll hit TP as well. But yeah, these are just guesses. These are just me guessing. Like the trade I just took right now, this is just like we'll see what happens. Right? But the thing is, the zones that I mark up are high probability zones. So when I'm kind of guessing in a direction, it's still a decent chance of it doing what I need it to do. So that's the interesting thing. This was a beautiful setup, man. Beautiful setup. You get one trade like this a month, you're set. For me, I messed up my lots. Only made 450 today. Don't say only. You made money. That's the good news, all right? You made money. It happens. It happens, all right? The fact that you're winning trades is good. So it looks like, so did you hit TP today? Because Awali also hit TP. He said, yes, bro, I'm out of GBPJPY. Perfect. So he hit TP. We got to play the congratulations song again. So Abdul, confirm for me if you hit TP so we can play the congratulations song. Congratulate both of you. If not, it'll just be for Awali. We'll see what happens. Guys, this is super interesting. I may re-enter. And it'll probably be the last trade for me today. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Hey, TP on EU. Perfect. All right, guys. Let's congratulate. Put some fire emojis in the chat for Awali and for GU, a.k.a. Abdul, for hitting TP on their trades. All right, guys. Let's congratulate them. So first and foremost, congratulations to you guys. Great job on hitting TP.
Congratulations.
1 to 8 RR. Sheesh. That's what we're aiming for right here. We're almost there. Let me see how it plays out.
I am happy for you.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Fire emojis in the chat.
Nothing can stop you from going higher. Congratulations.
Congratulations, congratulations, guys. Great job. Clap it up, everybody. Clap it up. Congratulations.
Congratulations! Oh my God.
And as always, we're really happy for you guys.
We are extremely happy. We are extremely happy. I don't know whether you can define the word extremely.
Awesome, 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 awesome stuff, guys. I'm going to be away for the next 2 days. No stream tomorrow, no stream on Wednesday because it's my birthday. So shout out to you guys. I'm going to miss you guys, but no stream tomorrow. So just keep that in mind, guys, all right? No stream tomorrow. No stream tomorrow. I'm waiting to see something before I hop into this trade. If not, we'll leave it alone. But yeah, man, I hope you guys have a great week while I'm not here. I will have some videos and stuff out for you guys to be able to watch and have something to watch, you know what I mean? So shout out to you guys. I think I'm currently sitting at about almost 1,500 subs. I think I'm like 3 away, guys. For those of you who are new, please sub and follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign, and also join the Discord. We have the best people in there. You can see Abdul hit a 1 to 8. K-Dot goes for crazy swings. Who else is the other one? Maximus goes nuts as well. There's a lot. Somebody asked me today, who are the best traders in the chat? I'm like, bro, go check it out for yourself. Everybody in the chat is incredible. The type of setups I see in there, people go crazy with the setups. So join the Discord if you're new. Lots of great people in there sharing their information, their knowledge for free. I'll show you right now in the Discord. Watch. Let's go to trading ideas. All right. So look. Okay, there's a setup. There's a setup. Oh, Khaled's the other one. Adib is new and he's winning trades, doing really well. K-Dot. Every day people are sharing their trades. Anti-Sacco. You name it. It's just consistent. Not only there. Shout out to Anti-Sacco. Not only in here are they sharing their trades, Black Owl and everybody, but even in general. Even in general, look. Look, Fauci. I don't know if Fauci's still in here. Shout out to you, Fauci. Fauci's got some setups. All right, look. We took this trade live with Khaled. Proper setup he took. Not my type of setup, but it was still fire. All right, Verd is in here. Sleazy's in here. Professor's in here. Bro, a bunch of people. Show, FC Mozart. And the list goes on and on. All right, guys. So if you're new, join the Discord. People just sharing their information and sharing, you know what I mean? These things for free. We don't charge in the Discord for nothing. None of that. We're just a good community. So join the Discord if you're new. Join the Discord. What's the song for hitting stop loss? The song for... Here's the sound for hitting stop loss. That's the song for hitting stop loss. If you hit stop loss, okay, that's what it is. And if you were up like 5R, 6R, 7R, and you got greedy and you let it come back to take you out, this is the sound for you.
Use your brain. The thing in your head. Use it.
Yo, that's hilarious. Enjoy your B-Day, bro. Thank you so much, yo, and I appreciate it. I'm gonna do my best. My wife, so yesterday her and my sister-in-law were like, you can't come with us today, it's a girls' night out. But I'm not dumb, dog. I know that they're planning something for me for my birthday, so so I know that they're planning something for me for my birthday. Oh my gosh. That's what happened to me, bro. I was up 12K. Bro, it happened to me the other day. You guys remember when we were up? Oh my God. Let me go back to Euro JPY real quick. I gotta go back to Euro JPY. I gotta show you guys what happened. I took this trade live. We should be way up on the account, but I made some, no, I don't want to say stupid because I was following the chat and one of them was a dumb situation, but I'll show you guys what happened. Right here. Was it right here? No. It wasn't this one. It was this. I'll never forget this. All right, so this is what happened. That day, we were up. I'll never forget this. We were up. This was my first entry. Price came into this zone, came all the way up here. It's 9 o'clock. What ended up happening is price ended up almost hitting TP and then going down. When I saw that it almost hit TP and went down, you guys know I have a rule. If price basically hits my TP and comes back to my zone, I know I'm getting cooked. So I left it. And that day, I knew I should not trade. My psychology was off. Everything was messed. The markets didn't look great. So this trade, I didn't take by God's grace. No problem. This trade here, I don't know what got into me. Where was it? I think somewhere in here that I decided to get into the trade and then it ended up just taking me out. Then this trade, we entered when we broke above and we went all the way to a 1 to 2. All the way to a 1 to 2 right here. Right here. You see that? On live, we hit 1 to 2. And I asked the chat, guys, should I hold the trade? Everyone's like, yo, hold, dog, hold, dog. You know what happened when it started to reverse? Everyone's like, move your stops to break even. Get out the trade close. I'm like, nah, we gonna hold. Because I don't do break even. I do TP or stop loss. Price came all the way up here and then eventually took me out. And so I know exactly how you feel. Then we had one more setup, I think. Where was the setup? Was it this one? I think it was this one. Yeah, we had this one we were aiming for up here. And then we said, let's see if we can get a 1 to 4. So I could have gotten to that trade as well. Didn't take that trade. Bro, it was just a nasty day. Okay, so I know exactly what you mean, Yona, when it comes to things like that. It happens to the best of us. All right, guys, I don't think this setup is going to happen. Let me just get rid of this. All right, so it happens, man. It absolutely happens. You just gotta suck it up and move on to the next one. Hello, everyone. What's good? Intokozo, what's good? What's good? What's good? Glad to see you back, brother. ADJPY just went through. And then NASDAQ, actually. This morning we had some nice setups on NASDAQ, and they played out properly. This setup, I didn't take this trade. I can't stand those, bro. Nowadays, the way indices be moving, they're not giving me what I want. So it's a little challenging for me. But this trade on Friday, I think we took that trade. That trade was fire. I think. I'm not sure. Let's see here. Nas, US 30. What did you end up doing? Yeah, typical nonsense. US 30, man, you want to catch it before 9:30. Because any other time after that, it's like, bro, I don't mess with you. SPX 500 came back into this zone, acting away. I'm not going to touch that. It's after 11. I don't touch any US related pairs after 11 o'clock. Gold never went up to our zone. Let's see what's going on down here. All right. So I don't like the way it's moving, bro. I won't lie. I don't like the way it's moving. So yeah, man. Guys, if you're here, like the stream, please. It helps me out a lot. Okay, like the stream. Today we had 3 people sub, one being an imposter who subbed. I'm looking at you, Adib, unsubbing and subbing. How dare you? So we had 2 new people sub today. That was pretty cool. And yeah, we're just looking at some of these things here. I don't think we're gonna get another setup, so we'll see what happens. Thank you for liking the stream. It's NFP week, so market waiting for direction. Yeah, absolutely. We're going to get this NFP. Jerome's going to come say good afternoon at around 2 o'clock my time. So when he does, then things are going to get crazy. Adib is laughing. Adib, you are a bad boy. Yeah, man. Yeah, we've taken all these trades today. GBP JPY was my favorite today, bro. I'm not going to lie. GBP JPY was absolutely amazing. So here's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to leave it alone, bro. I'm not even going to touch it. It's in this zone. It's kind of giving my setup, but I'm not going to touch it. I will put a paper trade in here just as a marker. Price came up in here. Okay. I'm actually anticipating we might hit TP on this one. So we will see. 1 to 2. Quick maths. That's all we need. That's all we need, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, DJ, what's good? What's good? Hello, people. Hope I'm not too late. You're not too late. We're going to hop off soon, but you're not too late. Welcome, everybody. All my people in the Foreign Money family. You guys missed this beautiful trade setup we took. We took TP right here, right, for a 1 to 4. Beautiful, beautiful trade. You guys, those of you who know that I'm trading the live challenge, you can see here that this is where we are on the account. So we're just like 1 trade away from going back above break even and really starting to crank this thing out. So it's going to be fire. It's going to be absolutely fire. All right, guys. It's going to be super interesting. Super duper interesting. All right, guys. So I don't know any other setups. I think Euro, AUD, JPY. I'm not touching that. Oil acting a fool. And then look at AUD. Sorry, Euro AUD. God have mercy upon me. Sheesh. Look at that. My dog. Even, let's just say that's a stretch. Let's say I got in here instead. Let's just say I got in. Gosh, what's going on? Let's just say I got in here instead. Okay, we'll just, for the sake of argument. Still almost a 1 to 8. Nasty work. So that's a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. I love how some of these Forex pairs move, bro. Look at that. Gorgeous. Just simply gorgeous. All right, so I don't think we got nothing else. I don't think. What is all this? Oh, I was explaining this to a company the other day. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Don't know what that's about. Broke the trend line, making its way down. Got a little bit of a channel forming here, just a little. So that's going to be super interesting to see what happens. We'll see. Keep that open. Mom's calling. I have to step out for a bit to eat dinner. No problem, Adib. Enjoy your dinner. Tell your mom we say hi from the Foreign Money family. And as always, brother, thank you so much for joining. I hope I'll see you back when I get back from my birthday. All right, on Thursday. All right, Adib, have a blessed one, brother. Have a blessed one, brother. Oh, you little weasel. You little weasel. That's why I say patient pays. So this is what we were really waiting for. This type of setup right here is what we were really waiting for. But we can't make excuses. It is what it is. I didn't take this trade up here. This, I was just gambling. This is what I was saying, guys. If it goes into my setup, I'll take another trade. And we missed it. It's all good. Check USD ZAR. Weekly time frame might be a good long-term buy. Okay, let's check it out. USD ZAR. Well, let me leave this here open, and then we'll go. The US dollar versus the rand, as they call it. You said weekly. First off, like clockwork. Beautiful setup. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Have you guys seen that guy from Africa, from Ghana, who says eventuary? Have you guys seen him? Okay. Might be a decent spot. But would be interesting for your analysis on that pair. I don't think we covered it yet. No, I haven't done any ZAR pairs at all. So this is going to be super interesting. Here's what I will say. So far, we had, as you guys can see, you already know, up, down, right? Higher highs, higher lows. Bit of a change in structure a little bit, but long story short, you get the point. Okay? We get here, and price is giving us our typical push towards the downside, whatnot. Okay, cool. So we were going up, making higher highs, higher lows, and then eventually that started to change around here. Okay? So now we're bearish. We're at this zone where you can see how price is responding to this zone. It might be, you know what I mean? It might be like a potential area that we have to be concerned about. So I'm not going to get into any sells. If I wanted to get into a buy, I've already missed that gravy train because, look, bro, look at this. Literally, on like almost everything, that same formation formed. Up, down, up. Okay, down here, where are we at? Okay, same thing. That's why people tell you price is fractal. It happens like similarly on every single chart. All right, so I've missed this move already. You can see here we have a bunch of, like, you know what I mean? This might be the next zone that price might have challenges with. But for the most part, I kind of like what I see right here. I feel like this would be a very strong zone for that. Let me go down to the 15 real quick. And kind of same thing. Okay, so this is what I'm going to wait for, to be quite honest. Now, it'll take us a bit of time to get there, but I wouldn't touch anything. We do have this one right here on the 15. All right, so we can look at that in the short term and see what happens here. We might find a quick scalp, quick maths. You know what I'm saying? And get into something here. So we'll see what happens right there. This is going towards TP. We have GP, JPY moving slowly. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. Let's take a look at USD ZAR and see if it gives us any setups. Let's see. We have a strong push. A little bit, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, it could be interesting to see how it reacts. Yeah, I'm very interested to see as well. But here's the thing, even if it pushes down here, I'm anticipating price will push down from here, possibly to somewhere around this region before going up. It will not come all the way back down. I don't think so. I think that move is set for this. And even based on how we're moving, we'll get a strong push from here as well. Oops. From here as well. But then price eventually will do this. That's what I personally think. Just because where we are, like you said, Marcus, on the weekly, pretty strong zone, we might get a really strong push towards the upside. So that's what I think. So I think we can catch some nice sells and scalps. But we'll have to be patient and wait it out and see. And see. And see. GBP, JPY. Okay, cool. Coolio. Coolio. So that's what we got right now. So let's see. God. Oh my gosh. If you want, you can check another one we haven't looked at. USD CNY. Is that the Chinese? Holy smokes. CNY. 1 second, guys. My goodness. Oh gosh, oil. Okay, let's go to, what'd you say it was? USD CNY. What are you guys trading, bro? Look at this craziness. Nah, bro, this can't be it. It must be the wrong one. USD C. Would you say C? Where am I? CNY? Is that what you said? CNY, yeah, CNY. Okay, let's try. Do we have Owanda? No, we don't. Damn. Brother, what is this? Brother, what is this?
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Bro, this is a weird, I won't lie, Marcus. This is a weird, you know? This is a weird pair, bro. That's the Chinese currency. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna have to, maybe on the 1 hour looks better. Damn, bro. Yeah, this is the only pair that you can say technical analysis may not work, bro. It literally looks like if I told my nephew, like, hey, yo, what does the chart look like to you? This is what I would get. This is crazy work, bro. Yeah, Marcus, I'm sorry, bro. My analysis skills only go so far. Okay, never mind. Yeah, bro, sorry. My analysis skills only go so far. That's crazy work. Crazy work, bro. Oh, wow. Look at Nas. Nas gave us another setup in here. But yeah, thanks for sharing. We'll look at other ones for now. We were looking at USD ZAR. We want to see how it reacts over there. And we need JPY to hit so we can get a 1 to 8. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna let me leave these two here, and then let's start looking for other places. Somebody mentioned Euro USD already. Euro USD, yeah. I don't know what it is. There are two pairs that I don't really vibe with. The first one being this one right here. I'll show you guys. Of all the foreign Forex pairs, this is my least favorite. GBP USD. I don't like GU at all. People like it. Shout out to y'all. I don't like GU at all. At all. I don't like GU at all. I can't stress how much I don't like GU. I do not. Let me say it louder for the people in the back. I don't like GU at all. At all. I don't like GU. And then the next one that, it's not that I don't like, I just don't really find it attractive, if you know what I mean, is a Euro USD. I'm just not a fan. I'm just not a fan of Euro USD at all. But shout out to you guys who traded. I'm saying shout out to you guys. If you're new, join the Discord. Okay, follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforward. Sub. We have 3 people sub today. Let's make it 4. I should start having sub goals. All right, guys, welcome. We do this every day. We're taking a live trade on a live challenge account right here. This is where we're currently at. We did not place any trades today on this account, unfortunately, because our setups didn't play out the way we wanted. But we trade this every day. Today's day 6. Welcome if you're new. GU is hot. Yeah, I don't like GU. I don't like GU. Well, there's Norwegian, USD, and okay. Oh, wow. There are like exotic pairs. I don't look at them, but I thought it would be interesting to look at it. Got you. Yeah, no, I stick to like the major Forex pairs. I'm an indices trader anyway, so I usually just trade indices. I'm trading Forex because of you guys, but I won't lie. I am enjoying my time with Forex. My favorite pairs so far on Forex are, I can tell you guys right now, these are my favorite Forex pairs right now. And you can get at me if you want, but I love Euro JPY. I just love the way it moves. I love the way it moves. I've been able to catch great setups on Euro JPY. Just the other day when it did its nonsense, I want to punch it in the face. But to be fair, that was not its fault. It was my fault for taking impulse buys and understand that the market, after craziness was going on, was not going to do what it had to do. My second favorite pair, AUD JPY. I love the way it moves. Just look at the price action, bro. Like artwork. Like artwork. Love it. Absolutely love it. The pair that I'm trading after that would be GPCHF is kind of cool. Kind of cool. But you know what I'm starting to like, guys? I won't lie. GJ, bro. I ain't gonna cap, bro. GJ starting to look real good to me. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. And then the pair that took the most amount of money from me. Who can tell me? In fact, let me see if you guys are paying attention. Thank you, Marcus, for the fire for GJ. UJ. Yeah, UJ's fire. Who could tell me the pair that I lost the most amount of money on? Who could tell me? See if you guys are paying attention to these streams. Who could tell me the pair that we lost the most amount? Well, that I lost the most amount of money on. Who could tell me? Who could tell me? Let's see if you guys have been paying attention. Let's see if you guys are paying attention. Okay, we got one guess. Let's see if you guys have been paying attention. Fauci, all right. Golf. The witch gold. Yo, Widowmaker gold, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's get one more guess in here. Let's see. Let's see if people have been paying attention. Yeah, golf. USDR. So many balls lost. Brother.
What did he say?
Dog. You're on your own with that one, Marcus. I can't lie. I cannot go into battle with you on that one, brother. But yeah, it's gold. For the rest of you, in fact, for the rest of you in here who are not responding, okay? The rest of you.
Achievers, the tweet and deleters. You guys make me sick to my stomachs, fam.
Yeah, man. The rest
And
of
to
you.
the rest of you, to the rest of you, the non-believers, the underachievers, the tweet and deleters, you guys make me sick to my stomachs, fam.
Sick, dog. Make me sick. Y'all in here not responding. Make me sick. I'm just playing. But yeah, man, it's gold. Gold took the most amount of money from me, bro. Gold made me really have to reevaluate my life decisions. Gold. Aye. Gold. So yeah, price right now, guys, volume is completely like done. There's nothing. There is absolutely nothing. There is nothing. All right, guys, it's about to be 12 o'clock. For everybody who's in here, who I didn't get to say good morning to, good morning, all my lovely people, everybody who's new, all my lovely foreigners, and all the lovely pineapples out there. Good morning to you all.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. I know I am. Had a great weekend, guys. I was gaming over the weekend. I was playing Destiny 2, and I actually enjoyed myself for once. All right. I think what I'm going to start doing, I was talking, I think Yona brought it up as well. I'm going to start gaming and trade at the same. For these days where we have to like wait for things like this, we could, you know what I mean? Maybe we could game. Good morning, pineapples. Yes, sir, Marcus. All right. GJ. All right, I have two setups in here, guys. If you don't know, let me just get rid of this real quick. If you don't know, we want this to hit a 1 to 8, but this in this area is what I'm anticipating might be the problem. And I said this to everybody else who was in this trade. I said, if you get in here, just be aware that this is where you might start seeing some issues. See what I'm saying? So, good idea, bro. I'm going to download some games too. Yeah, you're on Xbox, aren't you, Marcus? Because, bro, we could run it up, dog. Oh, my gosh. I could stream live. And then I can have some of you guys join me. And if you guys play PlayStation only, because it seems like a lot of you guys play PlayStation, I'll go buy a PS5. I don't mind. I was thinking of doing a live stream where I go buy a PS5, but I'm like, bro, there's always that one person who's going to, you know what I mean, stream snipe me. He's going to be like, oh, I know where this guy's at. Probably Fauci. Hey, if it's anybody who's going to stream snipe me, it's Fauci. Fauci's going to see me somewhere, snuff me, take the PS5 and cut. It's Fauci, bro. My money's on Fauci. The youths get me vexed, bro. Trust. These youths get me vexed. You guys, you probably don't know what Fauci's saying. This is Toronto lingo. Toronto lingo. Yeah, and PC. Got you. I'm not a PC guy when it comes to that stuff. I don't really like any products that aren't Mac, to be honest, or I should say Apple, because of how what's the word I'm looking for? How invested I am into the algorithm. Sorry, not the algorithm. The ecosystem of Apple. So there's even games on Discord. Is there? Oh wait, can I game on Discord? You guys, can I game on Discord? Oh, let me see if I can go live on Discord right now. Let's see if I go live right now. I need my mod, bro. He helps me out with this stuff. I don't know what to do on Discord, fam. You know you've made it when you have people impersonating you. Oh, Caramel just posted this like a sec ago, I think. Shout out to Caramel. Caramel's the mod, bro. Caramel is an OG. I rate Caramel, bro. AKA Carmelo. Shout out to Carmelo. Super solid dude. Let me do this real quick. Sorry, guys. I'm in the Discord. Thank you guys for liking the stream, by the way. And thank you guys for liking the stream. This is crazy work. Your community vs. Where's mine? Gosh, what the heck is going on? A live fam? Bro, yo. So, all right, Fauci, let's go through some of the lingo. Let's put up some of the lingo up here and see if people know Toronto slang. We have a lie, right? We have allow it. Bro, how would you spell allow it, Fauci? Because allow it, we spelled it so many different ways. There was allow it like that. I've literally seen people spell like this, like allow it like that. It's been so many different ways. I'm gonna come find you. I need a PS5, fam. Hell no, Fauci. Let me see if I can go live on Discord. Let me see it right now. Yo, let me ask Carmelo. Let me DM him real quick. Yo, bro, I'm trying to go live on Discord. How do I do it? Let's see. Carmelo be helping me with everything, bro. Shout out Carmelo. Live house, so can't I came from guys, 1 second. I'm talking to the mod. Can join. Talking to Carmelo. You probably be out by the time I come with the TTC frap. Your community versus mine. Ooh, in gaming? Is that what you're talking about? In gaming? Oh, man. Because Fauci said don't give me ideas. Oh, man. That would be crazy. That would be super crazy. GPCHF. Let's take a look at what's happening. Look at this nonsense. You wait all day for this nonsense and look at it. USD ZAR and GPJPY still acting a fool. All right, we'll keep it over here. You have people jump into general and drag them into. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So I'm gonna try and go live for the first time. Okay, thanks, bro. I think. Oh. Wait, 1 sec, guys. Yo. Yeah. We'll talk soon, by the way. I gotta hit you up for it. Like, gotta have another meeting. Alrighty. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. Everybody who's in, if you're in my Discord, go into the general chat and type in "I'm here," because I'm gonna drag everybody who types in "I'm here" into the live, and then I'll live stream from Discord, and then I'm gonna figure out if we can do some gaming. All right, we're gonna figure it out. If you're in the Discord, if you're here right now, go into general, type in "I'm here." Let me see if I can get you guys. All right, guys. See if I can do that. All right, so I got Fauci typing. Okay, cool. Fauci said I'm big, black, and beautiful. Fauci, you're a wild one, bro. All right, so let me. James Rob said I'm here. Okay. Let's try this. Go to the live, and then 1 second. One second. Let me see if I can do it. Shoot, you guys are moving too fast. Join the general voice. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Join the general voice channel. All right, guys. The general. Yo, Carmelo probably have his hand on his head like, bro, this guy. Join the general voice channel, guys. Okay, and then I can drag you guys in there. All right. Okay, let's see if I can get this to work. Shout out Carmelo for helping me, bro. I'm here. Okay, cool. Guys, join the general voice channel. Okay, cool. Marcus is in there so far. Okay, OX is in there. Okay. Fauci, James. Okay. Cool. Maybe I could just go live from here. All right, let me see. Let me drag you guys into the. All right. Okay, so here we go. All right. You guys are in the secret place.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, hold on 1 second, bro. I gotta drag you into. There we go. Yellow me. Perfect. All right, you guys, just give me a second. Those of you guys who are in there, I just want to see if anybody else comes in there. But for now, we'll do that. Join by voice. Okay. All right, so can you guys hear me? Bro, Carmelo, I'm gonna need your help, bro. Something is not right. So I dragged everybody into the live, and then let me see something. Turn on your camera. Okay, there we go. I think there we go. We got it. And can you guys hear me at all? Can you guys hear me?
We can hear you.
Okay, cool.
We can hear you.
Perfect. All right. So looking for something to start a game or a video playlist. Oh, shoot. We could do all that. Okay. So is everybody in here? Oh, Marcus is in the other one. Marcus, get in here. There we go. Marcus, are you in here? There you go. All right. Marcus is in here. Cool.
Yeah.
Perfect. So we got everybody in here. Let me, I guess, share my screen in here. Give me 1 second, guys. Yes, do you go? Whatever. All right, go live. All right, so if you guys click on this thing here, you'll be able to see. All right, so your stream's still running. We pause the preview to save you some resources. Nah, let it run. And then, so what I got to figure out now is if I can game from here. If I can connect my Xbox to this and game from here. Because you guys, in the future, the reason why this channel that you guys are in right now is private is because one-on-one mentorships, and I'm going to be doing a boot camp. I'm going to be taking only a few people. I'm thinking 3, 5, or maybe 10 at most. And you guys are going to, every morning, I'm going to mark up the charts for you guys, with you guys. We're going to take trades. It's going to be even better than the Forex 30-day thing that we're doing. That is like, you guys like see me enter trades and stuff, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at, why I mark up, why those zones are so accurate, things like that. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So that's what this is created for. Shout out to Carmelo, guys. If you guys ever see Carmelo in Discord, give him a good bump for me. Solid dude. He helps me all the time. He's probably at work right now because he had to cut it real short. He said, now starting the game. Now start the game in the live channel. You'll just have to do a display screen share instead of a window screen share. Okay. I have never felt so old until today. Looking for something to start a game. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Marcus.
Let me just help you out real quick. Like next to the camera, there's activities, suggested activities. And I would suggest the put party. Put party is a really fun one.
Okay, okay.
It's golf.
Okay, let me
But
see.
we're just talking about golf, but that's a really good one.
Okay. Let me see. Let me search for it. Put. Yeah, there you go. I found it. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can get this going. Let's see if we can get this going. Okay. Access human avatar, blah, 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 blah. Okay, authorize. Casual. Turn this to casual. This is weird, bro. I feel like so many things are happening at the same time. Or should we do a tournament? Casual. Okay. I'm inviting all of you guys to play. All of you guys. Oh, shoot. Wait. How many people are in here? Is Shosho in here? Shosho's not in here. Who else is in here? Yolomi. Okay, so let me type it up. Yolomi is in here. OX.
Fauci.
Yeah, Fauci. How come I can't see Fauci's? Did I already invite Fauci? I think I did. OX. I'm not finding some of you guys in here for some weird reason. So let me just scroll down. Let me see. That's just Sinister. Marcus. Let's see. This, okay, got you. Let me see if I can find Fauci. Did I already invite Fauci? Jeffrey, darn. Fauci, I don't know what's going on, bro. I can't find you. Let me try again. Savior. Yeah, bro, I cannot see you. Did I already invite you? Oh, people are going in and out. What's going on? Okay, I guess we'll just start. Javier's in here. Javier, I didn't get to invite Javier. Invite to... So Marcus, how exactly does this work? Are we supposed to hit the these things here? We're winning already, bro. Oh, really? You guys are... Oh, shoot. Oh, that's terrible. Wait. What the... Oh, I see. I see. You guys, this is gonna be super interesting. What I want to know is this. Is there any way to do live Xbox gaming on here? Because that's what I want. That's what I want. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my god, how did I miss that? Alright, cool. Oh, yoy. This is super interesting. What happened to the voice chat? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. That's what I'm trying to figure out, guys. Something is not like, you know what I gotta do? I gotta take some time and figure it out with Carmelo. That's what I gotta do. Oh, can I get it? Can I get it? Oh, wow. Alright, guys. After this one game, I'm gonna hop off of this and then get back to like what we're doing, and I'll just figure it out over the It's gonna be super interesting. Oh my gosh, bro. There we go. Oh my gosh, man. Bro, I'm the worst player ever. I missed that. Holy. Alright. Let's see what's going on. Ah, shoot, we missed this too. Alright, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. I'll have to figure this out. Alright, let me how do I end this thing? How do I, bro? I am such a noob to this, bro. This is not even. We're playing a golf game on Discord, but we could play something else. Yeah, I'm about to hop off of this, bro. I don't even know how to exit this. How do I exit this thing, bro? Oh my gosh. And look, we missed our setup on USD ZAR. I was waiting for this candle to close so I can hop in. And now it's already leaving without us. Alright, guys.
Why are you guys leaving now?
I don't know. Everybody's hopping out. Okay, they're back here. Let me see if I can drag them in. 1 second. Let me put them back in here. Put Marcus back in here. Can you guys hear me? Or you guys just hopped out?
We can see you.
Okay. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna have to, guys, I'm gonna have to figure this out.
Are we playing games?
Well,
I can't play games. I'm 50 years old. I'm 50 years old. I can't play games.
I'm about to hop off YOLO. Don't worry. We just tried something and yeah, there we go. So
But it works. At least it works.
sorry?
At least it works.
Yeah.
You
It's
can connect.
at least I'm gonna try and get a proper setup. But yeah, I wanna see if
What
I
else are you
can.
trying to?
Sorry?
Where's the games? Where's the games you're talking about? Where's the games you're talking about?
It's apparently if you go into activities, you'll see suggested activities and there's a bunch of games there that you can play. Hey baby. Hey. Yeah. Done soon. I'm done in about, well, actually I'm done now. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out how I can actually connect the Xbox and stuff to this, and then we'll take it from there. What the heck was going on? Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna close this, come back to the live so I can end the live. And my birthday is in a couple days, so you guys won't see me tomorrow or Wednesday. You'll see me on Thursday. All right, so I'm gonna chop it up with you guys for like 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna hop off. All right, guys. Thank you all for joining this. Bye. This attempt. All right, let me get everybody out of here. Get them out. Okay, cool. All right, so that was quite the epic fail if I've ever seen one. That was crazy. Not gonna lie, Discord games are bad quality, but they can be fun. I just wanted to know if I could stream from Xbox. That's all. I'm gonna have to go on my Xbox later on, turn it on. I think they have a Twitch application, and they might have a Discord one as well. If they do, I'll see if I can connect the two, and then you guys can game with me, or we can do both. Okay. In the meantime, wait, why is this like that? Bro, what is going on? Okay, let me. All right, guys, here's where we're at. We're about to, I can't say we're about to hit TP because I got in at a late entry, but this would have gone where I wanted it to go, so that's cool. With that being said, guys, it's 12 o'clock. I've spent a good 3 hours with you guys. Dial-up connection. I'm going to miss you guys for the next 2 days. Okay, I'm going to have videos out for you guys to watch for today, tomorrow. Those of you guys waiting for the videos, they will also be dropping, sorry, the songs, they'll be dropping this week as well. Guys, I will come back after my birthday and we'll chop it up. This was today. It went okay. Hopefully when I come back, we'll have better setups, all right? I love each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Join the Discord if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at mymoneyforeign. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace, guys. Love you guys. See you guys later.